What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another stream here on Rebel Gaming. We are fighting getting in, y'all. Court is starting, and my ass can't get in. And I believe Josh's case is actually the first one. So that's why I'm actually starting the stream right now, so that when we walk in, we can get into what's going on. So that's what we be doing. And hopefully we can stay in, because every time I've done this, I cannot seem to stay in server. I was doing fine before server restart, and now anytime I try to do anything, I crash out. So, and that was before I had the stream started and everything. So we're gonna attempt to get in here. I don't know if it's just us having issues or not, but what's up, Ron, over there on Twitch? What up, Ian? How's it going, y'all? How's it going? I'm a little mad, but Cody, what's going on, man? What up? So y'all had to go get a smoke. This shit's stressing me out, y'all. I have a lighter somewhere. But since nothing is going right now, of course I can't find it. Because what fun would that be? Son of a bitch. Is he? See, he was in, and now I'm fighting it. I mean, I had to go through and do a bunch of shit. Ow. Yeah, I had to go through and frickin' why do I have no money? There it goes. I had to update my video card. Still didn't work. I had to restart my computer. I've done so much in the past 15 minutes. Because that's when I was like, oh shit, I can't get in. So hopefully we don't crash out again. Now I don't know exactly where the courthouse is. So I'm going to GPS them. Come on. Finish spawning. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna head out. And then we're gonna run. I mean, we're close. I'm actually steal a car. I'm just not near any garage points, and if I teleport, I'll be further. I may, depending on if we get that far down the list, for getting arrested for a simple reckless op. That was an accident. We did not do this, y'all. I just have to get to the courthouse. But I have a simple reckless op that I'm going up for possibly, and if not, I will be getting it in the next one. And then we're gonna go check out the new business. So hopefully you guys are excited for that. All right. All right. So we'll have to run and get our bike, but screw it. We are going to go and push to talk so I can talk to you guys during the court proceedings. That's fine. Okay. Kevin, what's up? Tim, what up? Neely, what up? Yeah, I'm in for a minute, We'll see if I frickin' crash again. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. So it looks like so far so good. Knock on wood.
Your Honor, Maxwell Graves at the prosecution's office. Mr. Gonzalez is in custody in a holding cell in the back.
Hey.
Over.
Do what?
I thought maybe you needed me to move over.
Oh my god, this dude's lap.
I think you.
Sorry, but I'd rather be on her lap than yours. No offense.
Not courtroom. Stop
I
it.
can understand.
Yes, sir. We believe so. We believe dead with the Lost Motorcycle Club.
Oh, I can't hear the judge. Can you hear the judge?
Apologies. Francis McManigan, sir.
Can't hear the judge, y'all. Alright, so we're in. So that's a plus. Oh, there's Josh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright, so I'm gonna see.
Guilty, Your Honor.
Damn. We can't hear.
Defense attorney, was that a no contest or not, sir?
Not guilty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. I do not. At this time. Lost
Your
MC.
Honor, it is not a gang, Your Honor. It is a motorcycle club. Of course, Your Honor.
Alright, so I'm gonna see if Onyx is live. He was thinking about it. I'm not seeing it. He is not.
Your Honor, this is the first criminal record we've seen of this gentleman. due to the nature of the charges, though, I would motion the court that if he is released on bond, that he'd have to check in with the probation officer once a week, or possibly an ankle bracelet.
Come on, let's do probation. Come on, let's do probation officer. Yeah, I can't.
Would you have a problem wearing his ankle?
Don't take a problem with it, Joshy. Come on. Whatever gets you the hell out of there. I can't hear. It's killing me. You can't hear either? Okay.
I'm fine with that, Your Honor.
Let's see. Still can't hear. Son of a gun! Come on!
Your Honor, that is not an issue.
Something's not an issue.
That is not an issue, Your Honor.
That's a good sign, I think. I hope. What's up, Chris? Anthony, what's going on, man? Come on. We gotta get this man out, bruh. I know he's back live. We're gonna get a delay if I pull this up, but
No, Your Honor. If the defense doesn't have any additional motions, I'm.
Alright.
I do have one motion that I would.
No, Your Honor.
I would push.
Doesn't have any additional motions.
See, he can't hear him either.
You lost your voice there.
Excuse me, sorry about that. Motion to request all evidence that the state has against my client, so that you may
Okay.
review that evidence.
Well, I'll tell you what. I'll even do you one better. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you a rundown of the evidence, and then we'll get with the sheriff's department, or looks like this was San Andreas Highway Patrol that made the arrest, so we'll get with them so you can have access to the evidence. But the evidence in custody currently right now,
Yeah, Mason, okay, go for it, man.
looks like he had in his possession 424 AK-47s in transport. He had one illegal assault shotgun in his possession.
Wrong.
72 individually weighed out baggies of cocaine, 41 individually weighed out bags of or individually kiloed cocaine, 1 combat pistol, 68 individual doses of LSD, 24 loose marijuana cigarettes. He had chemicals and paraphernalia for manufacturing LSD, count of 48. He had 247 M4 illegal rifles also in his possession and transport, as well as some miscellaneous, looks like he had seeds and some other miscellaneous illegal weapons on him as well. But that's the bulk of the evidence that they have in holding. Just so you're aware.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm also requesting,
that's
if
a
possible.
Lot. That's enough to arm a Russian army and keep them stoned for a week.
Fair enough, Your Honor, but I am also requesting any body cam footage that may have been present during.
That will all be provided to you. Make sure that you get with me sometime next week, early next week, so we can go through all the paperwork and all that to try to get you the other information and evidence, etc.
Very good, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. So the bond amount is set as 51. Sorry, go ahead, prosecution.
Your Honor, one more motion, if I could. I'd like to motion the court that Mr. Gonzalez be ordered to remain in the state due to the fact that the motorcycle club does have they have multiple chapters across the country.
That's fine.
Okay, that's fine. Well, that's going to be part of. We don't typically put GPS tracking ankle bracelets on folks who are going to leave the country or leave the states. So he won't be able to leave that bracelet on him. So,
so he's going to be GPS tracked, it sounds like.
Thank you.
If he does, we'll know the minute he tries to make the move. So, okay. On that note, bond amount is set at $5,100. That is $5,100 payable in cash before we leave the building tonight. Otherwise, your client goes back to jail. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Well, you can go ahead and send Mr. Gonzalez back into the back there, and we'll give him a chance to take care of that before the end of the night.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Whoa. Sorry, y'all. New shoes.
Very good, Your Honor. Nice shoes.
Them extra shoes. You got that, Pam? It's a lot less than what I thought it was gonna be.
What did you say?
There's the money. It's a lot less than what I thought.
Okay.
All right, so let me close out this one.
And you gonna go
Give me just a second here, folks.
Yeah, to a point.
Okay.
Just that he'll be GPS'd, which that's fine.
Yeah. You're just gonna have an ankle monitor.
Right, and that's not that bad.
This is good though. I'm happy we're able to get him out.
Yeah, right.
All right, next case we're going to go through. We have 16 arrests on file for this session. First one is going to be Thompson. Clarice, is he present? Clarence Thompson, are you here tonight? All right, moving on. Washington, Larry. All right. Chimbole, Donald. Is Donald Chimbole here?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Larry Washington was at the last case you called?
Yes, sir.
He's calling you.
Assault with a deadly weapon, possession of manufacturing, sale of prohibited weapons, and trespassing.
How is he not still locked up?
Is this Mr. Washington here? He did. I can't hear him. Is he speaking?
Mr. Washington, sir? Hello? Your Honor, I'm looking at the file here. I don't see where Mr. Washington is.
What's up, Kia?
Mute.
This isn't Mr. Washington. It's Mr. Trumbull.
Oh, Mr. Trumbull.
Okay.
Is there a Mr.
All right,
Washington in the courtroom? Harry Washington. Okay, Your Honor, I would move the court to consider failure to appear bench warrant for this subject. Mr. Washington, his charges are multiple felonies for assault with a deadly weapon, possession, manufacture, and sale of prohibited weapons, and criminal trespass.
Okay. So noted. We'll take care of that at the end of the session. He'll have a bench warrant issued for him. Does prosecution, do you know anything about the Clarence Thompson case?
So we may go up today. We don't know yet. It all depends on time.
Because I'm looking at that one right now too, and that was just a simple reckless driving charge. If prosecution is okay with it for Clarence Thompson, I'm just going to issue a call to answer charges for the next session.
That sounds fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
I don't know, Dom. You should have got with Buddha already.
All right.
No problem, Nico, man. I got you. When I see it, I rate it.
Okay. Mr. is Trembolic, correct?
Tremble, sir.
Tremble. Okay. My apologies. Have you secured yourself counseling yet?
No, sir.
Okay. Before we go any further, let me go ahead and read you the charges so we're all on the same page here. We've got charges against you for grand theft auto, evading law enforcement, causing bodily injury during the pursuit. Is that not opening? Do you understand those charges as they've been levied against you, sir?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay. What is going on here? Hold on a second. My computer system is messing up here.
Look at Sherry all dressed up, y'all. All fancy,
Okay.
man.
All right, there we go. I've got the information now. Okay, looks like that was an LSPD arrest. It looks like you were released out of prison. No bond necessary at that time. Prosecution, do you have any notes on this case?
Which charges are you wanting to hear today, sir? He's got multiple.
Well, I show, unless there's more I'm not seeing. Let me expand. I also show possession of a controlled substance. I'm also showing.
What's up, Chris?
So we have 3 citations, 3 total charges: grand theft auto, evading law enforcement involving bodily injury, and possession of a controlled substance.
That's correct, Your Honor. Mr. Trumbull, do you have a defense attorney, sir?
I do not, sir. I'm too poor to obtain one.
Okay.
Okay. Did you want to proceed without counseling, or would you like a continuance, sir? I really dislike going through a case when somebody doesn't have any counsel at all. It's your choice, though.
Will I get a court-appointed public defender, sir?
We do have one public
Nice,
defender
assassin.
available. That wouldn't be a problem. So if that's
Can I
what
ask
you'd
for a
like to do.
continuance?
Okay, all right. So you're going to ask for continuance on this. Prosecution with the charges against him, you see any flight risk?
No, Your Honor. He has a elderly father that lives in the community. However, the prosecution is reviewing the evidence and considering amending this charge to possession of narcotics with intent to distribute.
Okay, I do say it was 15 individually bagged packages of cocaine on the charges here.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so just to make sure I understood you, the DA's office
What's up, Redneck?
may bump that up to possession with intent to distribute because of the way it was packaged on him at the time.
Yes, Your Honor. We're considering that.
Okay.
We have not made that motion yet.
Okay, it does look like that night that he was arrested, he was allowed to bond out. They've got his bond information. If you have no objections, then we'll just schedule a continuance for next month. Mr. Tremble, I would highly recommend that you get your affairs in order with your.
Which one? You got the judge. You got Onyx on the left, who is the prosecutor.
But these are some
guy on the
serious
right is
charges,
actually,
and you have a felony charge pending that may
Is actually the person on
the DA's office may add tack
right
on.
now.
Okay, if that happens, that's going to automatically double the potential sentence that you could get in prison, as it is a felony charge. And you've got some charges now where you're in some serious hot water, as it is, sir.
Yes, sir.
The prosecution
Okay.
would have no problem with the continuance, Your
Okay, then we'll do that. The court rules on this case for Mr. Tremble. We'll reconvene here in the courtroom in 1 month on the 26th of the next court date. And before you leave the building tonight, sir, we will get you with the public defender. He is here tonight. It's actually, I keep forgetting his name. What is your name? Is he here, or did he step out? I keep forgetting his name only because I'm horrible with names.
Sharkskin.
It's not Sharkskin.
Oh,
I know that guy. He's not here.
no.
His particular scent of Axe body spray is not in the courtroom tonight. That's how we know Sharkskin is not here. Okay, so the court rules that we'll give you grant a continuance for 1 month. Reconvene on this case June 26th, which is also a Friday night, and don't leave the building without getting in contact with the lawyer. Okay, Mr. Tremble?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, you may step back.
I'm hoping to get a fine.
Can you hear me now?
Hear him? Yeah.
Make some notes here.
Fix it.
Can I hear who?
Next person, Rogers, Stacy. Is that individual in the room tonight?
Negative, Your Honor. I don't believe she is.
Okay. Moving down the list, Gomez Joaquin Gomez. I'm going to take that as a no as well.
Whole lot of no-shows. Holy
All right,
cow.
next on the docket, Blade James P. James P. Blade, are you here tonight? Okay, of those people I've just called, prosecution, except for Mr. Blade, Joaquin Gomez and Roger Stacy both have felony charges outstanding. Do you want? Would you like bench warrants for them?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Rogers, I believe, was also involved in the same. Mr. Trimble was. I imagine their defense attorneys have moved to sever those cases, but they were arrested at the same time for the Grand Theft Auto.
Okay, so they were both involved in it then. All right. Okay. I'm going to issue a call to answer charges next session for James Blade. His charges as they stand right now is simple assault and hit and run causing injury.
So just so you guys
Okay,
know,
next
this
on
is
the
something that
list,
we're gonna be doing
LaCroix,
more,
Brian LaCroix.
to hold people accountable for what they do in the server. So this is something that is going to happen quite regularly, hopefully.
Okay.
And we're going to make as
That
many
particular
as we can, either
subject
as head or as Leo.
is charged with simple assault and resisting arrest. Prosecution, are you okay with a call to answer for that person?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Next on the list, Turner, Max Turner.
Holy.
Max Turner.
Okay, that subject has outstanding charges for armed robbery, grand theft auto, and carrying concealed weapon without a permit. The law enforcement also flagged that individual as armed and possibly mentally ill. Would you like to see a bench warrant for that or a call to answer? I'm not too familiar with this case yet.
Get that a bench.
I'm not either, Your Honor. What was that last name again?
Turner, first name Max. Max Turner is here. Okay. All right. Mr. Turner, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Your Honor, there's a mentally ill notation on this file here.
For Mr. Turner, yes, I see that. Okay, so the narrative for the charges is looks like this was LSPD. They responded to a call for 211 at the 24/7 125.
What do you mean,
Suspect came out of the store, had a firearm with no light.
What do you mean by that?
For a getaway. Is that correct, Mr.?
I don't fully understand.
Is that correct, Max?
I have a
Mr.
super
Turner?
chat option.
Yeah,
and it'll pop up.
my memory's a little shaky about it, but I
if
think
you guys
I
do
think
a
that's just
super
about
chat
how-
donation and it doesn't
Okay.
pop up, let me know.
Do you have
But
you
it should.
secured yourself legal counsel yet, sir?
I actually I tried, but I don't know how to do it. This is all new, and it's a bit overwhelming.
Well, I should suppose so, as in one of your bonds is a federal bond, sir. Okay, I'm going to read off the charges, and I'm going to read off the bond amounts, just so you're aware of what you're up against, and then we'll decide how we're going to proceed, okay? First charge is going to be a felony robbery, armed robbery. Bond amount is $10,000. Grand theft auto, also a felony. Surety bond amount is $10,000. Carrying concealed weapon without a valid permit is a misdemeanor in this state. The surety bond is $1,000. However, I'm going to add that at this point in time, your ability to gain an open carry or a concealed carry permit is now null and void until further notice, just so you understand that, sir. Also, at this time, you have felony weapons charges levied against you. Regardless of what your plea is going to be, you are not allowed to be around firearms in any manner at all. I don't care if they work or not. You understand me, sir? If you get caught with a firearm, if you get caught breaking the law
What's up,
on this
Keo?
bond, if we bond you out,
Yeah, no kidding,
you're going
Neely.
straight to prison.
He is a scholar.
Just so you're aware. Mr. Sharkskin, thank you for joining us, sir.
It's my honor, your Royal Highness, sir. I do apologize for my lateness.
That's fine. You're actually standing next to a potential felon with some heavy charges that is in need of counsel. So, if you guys want to work something out here after we're done, we're about to go over whether or not we're going to bond him out at this point in time. Prosecution, I'm going to turn it over to you for any motions.
As you guys know,
Your Honor,
Sharkskin
due to
is,
the subject's mental state, prosecution
No
would consider
problem,
him
Ron.
a danger
Thanks
to
for coming, man.
society. I would ask that there be no bond and that subject remain in trial.
Okay. I'm inclined to agree with you, Mr. Mr. Turner. What do you have to say in your defense?
Once I get that join feature, Anthony, I
all
will
I
be
can say
having
is
that.
I was listening
I
to
do have a
most,
current
a bunch
Patreon
of
down
different
below.
voices. I wasn't sure what was going
And you
ahead.
get
I was just trying to
different
help.
perks with different levels of Patreon membership.
Have you
guys wanna check that
received or
link
been
out, until I
receiving
get
at any
1,000
time
subs,
any
I
kind
can't
of
get a join button, but I will be once I get
help
1,000.
with mental therapy, sir?
Since I've been
And I'll get
taken in
different
by you
badges
guys,
added,
I've
things
been
like that.
getting a little bit of help, and it has been working.
Okay, so before your charges, you were not taking any medication, prescribed medication for your condition, nor seeking any active mental help before your charges. Is that correct?
That's correct, sir. I managed a little bit pretty good by myself. I had a couple
Pretty good.
episodes here and there, but nothing.
Here and there.
Okay.
Okay. I love that. Okay.
Mr. Turner, based on your charges and your current mental state, I'm inclined to agree with prosecution. We're going to deny bond. You're going to have to sit in the state facilities until the next scheduled case court date or court session date, which is June 26th, a little less than a month from now. That's going to be my ruling. In the meantime, get your counsel together, get your case, your defense together, and I'm going to put it in order that we get you some state approved appointed mental help while you're in custody awaiting trial.
He base it and
see if we can't do something to help you out a little bit. Okay, sir?
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for being.
All right.
I will, Anthony. You'll see it. There'll be
So court's ruling
blue
is
join
that
button
bond
next to the
is
sub button.
foregone. We will not be granting you
What's up, Nicholas?
Any bonds to bond
Yeah,
out
he
of
is,
jail,
Neely.
and you will be sitting in county custody in the county.
No bail. At least Josh got bail. I can't wait to go to the new business.
Bailiff,
man.
if you would
Cannot wait.
take him back to the holding cell.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can't wait. Can't wait. Can't wait.
All right. Next on the docket is Brown Jack. Jack Brown, are you in the session?
I want to
tonight?
get mine done. What up, Bladders? What's going on, man?
There, Jack Brown. in
Where
the
you at,
courtroom.
Bladders? You need to hop in server, brother.
Prosecution looks like he has a simple DUI first charge. How do you wish to motion for that? Bench warrant or call?
Bench.
Oh, just a call to appear.
All right, I'm noting that.
Not much, brother.
Next one on the docket. Gutierrez, Waldo Gutierrez, are you in the courtroom?
Dealing
tonight?
with stuff. All right, brother. Well, hope it works out for you, man. I really do.
Negative, Your Honor. He's not in courtrooms.
Nicholas, the bot is not up right now because
All
I'm
right,
scared I was going to crash
prosecution.
again.
That particular subject is charged with reckless driving
I was having
resulting in
issues getting
serious
in.
bodily injury and simple assault. How do you want a motion on him?
Your Honor, I'd move for a bench warrant for that subject due cause to a
So noted. We'll issue a bench warrant for him. Next on the docket is going to be Williams, Leonard J. Leonard J. Williams, are you in the court tonight?
There are Leonard Williams. Leonard Williams.
All right, I'm going to guess that's a no. This particular subject charges for negligent discharge of a firearm and assault with a deadly weapon.
Yeah, Nicholas, before this, I joined in like 7 times and kept crashing immediately.
This was a case where...
I seem to be doing fine now, but...
I believe it was a case out in Sandy Shores where there was a subject attempting to arm another or rob another civilian at knife point. Mr. Williams was passing by in his automobile, decided to get out, removed an unregistered shotgun from his truck, and without attempting to verbally control the situation and trying to help that civilian, he opened fire and shot him, and he did not survive. I believe that's the case. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to issue a bench warrant due to the violent nature of the case.
Total agreement, Your Honor.
Okay, next on the docket, Slaughter Jackson.
Yes, sir.
And I have to stand up. All right, step on up. I had to stretch my legs here. Mr. Jackson here? There he is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I can see, I would like to point out and recognize your complete lack or your complete respect of this court for the way you're dressed today, sir. Congratulations.
This is my church office, Your Honor.
I would have preferred to see you in a suit or something a little bit more respectable, but due to the nature of your business, I'll let that slide.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
But I had to say something.
Okay.
Because I figure if I got to wear a hot-ass monkey suit in my court, then everybody else should have to as well.
Would you like me to look into
Mr. Slaughter.
Never mind. Good.
Mr. Slaughter, it looks like you are charged with reckless driving. Looks like you made a cash bail bond amount for a total of $90, which was 10% of the bond amount of $900. This is a misdemeanor. How do you plead on that?
I want to plead guilty.
Okay. What do you have to say for yourself?
Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
I also
Hold on a
see
second, Mr. Slaughter.
I also see 2 general citations for this subject for public intoxication and illegal U-turn. I'm not sure if those have been heard yet.
Let me look at the general citations here. I did not see. Oh, I do see them.
I have not paid those yet, Your Honor.
I do see them now. Okay, so we have one for public intox. And what did you say? And the other one was an illegal U-turn. Okay. All right, so how are you going to plead to all 3 of those charges, sir?
I'm going to plead guilty to all of it.
You're going to plead guilty?
Yeah.
Okay, so guilty, no contest, or guilty, you want to have a trial?
Wait, what?
You want to plead guilty, no contest, or do you want guilty and then us to schedule a hearing?
What's the difference between the guilty, no contest and guilty schedule a hearing?
No contest means you've pled guilty and you have waived your right to a court hearing for your innocence.
Yeah, yep, no contest. I did every last bit of it.
All right, give me a little bit here. Your honesty is refreshing, I will say that.
Well, Your Honor, so with the public intox, I had some stuff happen in my life. I was out drinking, and I was drinking up in Sandy Shores, and I didn't want to drive, obviously. And I didn't want to pay for a taxi from up in Sandy Shores down to the city. So I decided to walk. And I believe it was a trooper that found me walking in the middle of the road. He gave me a ticket and had pay him free come pick me up. So I did that.
You understand that the fine for that public intox is probably 10 or 100 times more than it would cost you for a taxi, right?
Yeah. Me and the trooper had talked about that as we were waiting for my ride. He told me it was like $1,000. It could be up to $1,000 or something. And then I started to
total
rethink.
fine amounts right now that you're looking at are. Give me just a second here. Is $2,134 total. If you want to go that route, you're gonna plead guilty, no contest, pay the fines. You're gonna have 90 days of public service attached to that as well. If you agree and the prosecution agrees, that's how we'll move forward.
What does
So first, you sir, go ahead.
What's public service, public detail? What's that entail? Like, is that just like picking up trash?
Basically, what that means is it's another form of probation in the state. You will also be required to do such things from time to time. I will, at a later date, I will decide exactly how many hours within that 90 days you will need to complete. But things like going with the Sheriff's Department or the Highway Patrol to do supervised trash pickup along the freeways, scrub graffiti off walls, do janitorial work in city buildings, etc., that sort of thing.
Okay, yeah, I'm fine.
The 90 days is mostly to cover your parole, I guess, or probation. Sorry, for probation.
Right.
And then there will be a dictated number of hours that you must complete within that 90 days. Looking at the guidebooks right now, quick reference, it looks like you're probably looking at no more than about 15 hours of actual community service. But you'll still be under probation for 90 days.
I'd be fine with that.
Okay, prosecution, how do you feel about that?
I'd be fine with the 15 hours community.
Okay. All right, then the ruling of this court is $2,134 in fines. No more than 15 hours of community service work and 90 days probation. Are you able to pay that fine tonight, sir, in full?
Yes, sir. I can pay it in cash. I did have one more question.
Okay.
With the probation, I know some people have to check in, and is that something that I'm required to do? Is that something I'll hear from my probation officer?
That will be set up through the Sheriff's Department, and yes, essentially you'll have to do that. I'm not going to order any drug and alcohol testing or anything like that. Your record is fairly clean. Well, let's just hope and keep it that way. Now, if you are involved in, you are accessory to or have knowledge of any crimes within that 90 days, including members of your motorcycle club, that's going to have a negative effect on this ruling. Just so you understand that. For the next 90 days at least, you need to keep your nose extra clean, is what I'm telling you.
All right, Your Honor. I'll carry baby wipes with me.
Okay. All right, that's the ruling. Go ahead and sit down. We'll give you a chance to pay the fine before you leave tonight.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's a wall.
All right, so that takes care of the arrest. We're going to move on to vehicle citations now.
All right.
I see a total of 4 at this time. Let's take a look here. All right. Rashard
Omega
J.
Studio Williams,
Jay
thank you so much
Rashard,
for the
are you here
subscription.
tonight?
Much appreciated, brother. Didn't want to say something sooner just because kinda was in the middle of something. Let me get caught up on chat. What up, Shark Man?
Okay, I'm going to take that as a no. He'll be added to the bench warrants. Williams.
What's up,
Noah.
Andrew?
Noah
Yeah,
Williams,
right.
are you here in court tonight?
No kidding, Eric. I was just pleading guilty, man. I did it. I was just hoping not to get jail time. A little bit,
Okay,
Brad.
that's simple 10 over speeding. I'm going to issue a call to answer charges. Hopefully I get this right. Stukenside Sheila. Sheila Stukenside.
Oh, Joanna,
Stuck
she
inside.
outside. I'll be right back, Joanna. Let me go retrieve her.
Okay.
This is gonna be
Prosecution,
ugly,
it
Joanna.
looks like this particular subject looks like a simple motor vehicle accident, vehicle versus building. It does not appear that there was any injuries, any alcohol or drugs involved.
Yeah, no kidding, Neely. That's what I was.
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
And that's what my
Just
goal
a,
was, bro. That's why I went
MVA
up there and
with,
just pled it.
second
Like, fuck, I
side
did
is
it.
alleged to have
It hit
been
me.
a pawn shop.
Okay, well, do you know if
Was
there's any
hoping for
damage to the
leniency,
building?
which I got, so. Yeah,
There
no,
was
Cody,
minimal damage, I believe, Your Honor.
Okay.
you know he's gonna pull something out
I
of his ass.
believe the building owner's insurance company picked that up, but they're out the $1,000 deductible.
Okay. Fair enough. While we're waiting for that one. Is Amber Taylor in the room tonight? Is that a yes or a no?
Courtroom?
Yes, that's me.
Okay.
Oh my lord.
All right. Be ready, Miss
Is
Taylor.
that
You're
allowed
going
in
to be
the
up
courtroom?
next.
Oh.
And he said something about my clothing.
Miss Sheila stuck inside.
Wow.
Hey, sweetie.
I can't even look at that.
I bet he wants my clothing back.
Miss Sheila, you couldn't come up with any better clothing for the court tonight?
Oh
you
my
know it.
goodness.
No, sweetie.
I'm gonna take my
on
glasses off.
account I got a case of psoriasis, sweetie, and clothes to make me break out.
Okay. Well, all right.
Well,
I mean, at
alright.
least your giggle bits are covered. I don't know who they would make giggle, but they're covered.
But they're covered.
All right. Miss Stuck Inside. You have a charge
Omega
here.
Studio News, Talk Show
A vehicle
T. Thanks for the
citation
subscription.
or a motor vehicle accident where you ran your car into the pawn shop.
I sure
You
did,
are aware of that
sweetie.
charge? Okay. It doesn't look like you had any alcohol or drugs involved
is
or
right,
anything
Neely.
like that. No bodily injuries. There's no
No,
plea
sweetie.
necessary because the police were on scene and they observed the accident after it happened. Observed the aftermath. Apparently there
Yep.
was minimal damage to
He does, Cody.
the business's building. They were able to get it repaired under insurance, but it did cost them the $1,000 insurance deductible. How do you wish to? I mean, do you have anything to say for yourself there, Miss Stuck Inside?
I told him sorry, sweetie. I had bent down to pick up a pickle that had slipped off my hamburger, sweetie. And I run
Okay,
down
so
the road.
simple. You just you let your attention
No, brother,
drift
you're
from
fine,
the road
man.
for a
If you got stuff
second
to do,
and
man,
went
do
off
it.
the road and hit
No
the
rush, brother. No rush. You got it.
That's what happened, sweetie. I'm
We get it.
sorry.
All right, well, here's the deal. We're going to go ahead and fine you $300 for the charge, and then you're also going to be ordered to make restitutions to that pawn shop, the total of $1,000 to reimburse them for their insurance deductible.
Hey, sweetie, did you say I had to do 3 hours of prostitution?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not.
What'd you say, sweetie?
I said the fine for the police charges for that motor vehicle accident for damage to the causing the accident is $300. So you're gonna have to pay a $300 fine, and then on top of that, you're also going to be charged with reimbursing the owner of the pawn shop for the $1,000 that he paid for the insurance deductible to fix his bill.
I don't remember what my amount was.
You're gonna be court ordered to reimburse that $1,000. Do you understand that?
I understand.
Okay. All right. So here's the deal. Are you able to pay that $1,300 tonight?
Honey, I got a $50 bill in my bra I put down as a down payment today.
Well, here's what's going to happen if you can't pay the $300 tonight at least. The $300 is minimum. If you can't pay that,
about the middle finger.
then what we're going to do is we're going to put out a bench warrant for you.
No. It looks like they're blacked out.
And it's going to be a non-active bench warrant. But that's going to give you 30 days to pay all that fine and make arrangements for the $1,000. If by June 26 you have not fulfilled those obligations, then you'll be looking at some further criminal charges. Okay.
All right, sweetie, I'll get that taken care of.
So I'm going to ask you one more time. Can you at least pay the $300 tonight?
Yeah, honey. I'll get somebody to bring me the money.
All right, man. You'll have a chance to pay that at the end of the session. I do appreciate your cooperation. You can have a seat.
Thank you, sweetie.
Okay, moving along. Miss Taylor. Go ahead and step up here if you would, please.
I think that lady needed a bra for her bra.
If you'll excuse me, Your Honor, real quick.
Yes.
And they're just a bath of
I was going to wipe down the table real quick.
Maybe some butter for the
good.
rolls.
Yeah, that's probably good thinking. That's probably good thinking.
Lord.
Ryan Garak, thank you for the 530 stars. Thank you, sir.
38
All right, while
minutes.
we're waiting, prosecution,
like
this appears to have
blacked out
been
with
a... Let me look here. Miss Taylor is charged with on her motorcycle driving 75 in a 40.
Whew.
She was caught on radar and observed through pacing by the officer. Looks like it was LSPD.
Your Honor, I also see in our files here a charge of running a red light.
Okay, let me pull up that name specifically.
There we go. Should be now. Hopefully the flies are gone.
Yeah, right. Cody, that'd have been great.
Let's see what we got here.
Yeah, I see where she was charged also with VC 21-453, running red light.
Okay. Looks like that was on the same day, too. Same officer.
Ooh.
All right, Miss Taylor, you can step up there to the table.
What's up, Chris Tolbert? Thanks for sharing the stream, brother. Much appreciated.
Miss Taylor.
Come on over here now.
That's you.
I've never done this before. I've never been in trouble before. I'm so sorry.
Miss Taylor, first of all, as I understand it, you're an outstanding member of the state's firefighter and EMS.
I am.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you have to say for yourself with these vehicle charges, with the moving violations? Because that's not the way a typical state employee behaves.
No, it's not, and I was coming back from Sandy after picking up a very I got a motorcycle from a used lot up there, wrecking yard or whatever it is, and I didn't have a trailer to bring it home, so I decided to drive it home, and I was having a problem with the clutch on it getting stuck, and I was fighting with that, and I wasn't paying attention. I'm guilty of it all. I'm not going to fight it. I'll just pay the fines.
Well, I appreciate your honesty, but you do understand that I'm sure of all people, with all the accidents that you've responded to in your time as a paramedic, you understand that especially on a motorcycle doing 35 miles an hour over the posted speed limit in that area, paying attention to a technical issue on your motorcycle, that could have ended a lot worse.
Yeah, I agree, and that's sitting in a shop right now. I was having problems with the speedometer on it too, so when the officer pulled me over, I was surprised it was even going that fast.
Yeah, that's completely understandable. All right, so here's what we're willing to do in light of your service and that you have no record. These are just simple moving violations. I'm inclined to go ahead and just let you pay the fines, and then that will cancel out you'll still have them on your record with the points, but the fines will no longer be outstanding. It looks like the total is going to be $460.
Okay,
Are you able
that's
to
no
pay
problem.
that today?
Yes, I can, easily.
All right. And that's going to be the ruling, $460 on fines. You'll have a chance to pay that at the end of the session here. You may go ahead and sit down now.
Okay.
All right. Okay, moving on to general citations. First on the docket for that is Blackwood, Jason. Jason Blackwood, are you in the courtroom? I'm going to take that as a no prosecution. I'm showing that Mr. Blackwood is charged with disturbing the peace and possession, manufacture, and sale of prohibited weapons. Is that what you're showing?
Oh, that's correct. All
right. Due to the nature of the charges, especially the prohibited weapons, I'm going to go ahead and issue a bench warrant on that. Unless you disagree.
No, we'd be in total agreement, Your Honor.
Okay. Have we called Noah Williams yet? Let me look at my list.
Was it
Doesn't
brothers?
look like it. Is Noah Williams in the court tonight?
Well, you got a warrant now, brother.
Williams, there are no.
As far as I can see, prosecution, it looks like these are all moving violations for Mr. Williams. Just double check this here. Yeah, that's all I see. Is I see running a red light, speeding 15 over, and then a separate charge on a different vehicle for speeding 10 to 14 over. Noah Williams is not here. Last call for Noah Williams.
Yeah, right, Cody.
Prosecution, I'm gonna issue a call to answer charges on this one.
We'd be in total agreement, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Moving on.
Right. You're good, man.
Is Billy McIntosh Billy, is he here in the building tonight?
Oh, yes, sir. He's outside as well. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, God, it's Billy.
Prosecution, the narrative on
Billy's
this.
gonna be
Mr.
here.
McIntosh was driving an oversized load on Los Lagunas Boulevard. License was expired. Subject transported for citation and identification verification, and then was released.
That's what I see as well, Your Honor.
Billy.
Okay.
Yep.
Wait, is
Do
that
we
the
know
fat
if that
guy?
gentleman has any kind of other history?
Yes.
Hey, what's that? What's that?
Oh, yep, the fat
Hey,
guy with
Billy.
the 5-year-old
Hey,
Mr.
what's up,
McIntosh,
baby?
please step up to the table.
mental state.
Hey,
Billy.
are we on TV? Is this
Oh,
on
Lord.
TV?
It's being broadcast
No,
on the court
Billy.
channel, sir.
Hey, can I shout out my mom and her cousins are playing bingo? Hey, Billy
They're playing
McIntosh, the
bingo.
mom and Laverne.
Mr. McIntosh, you know why you're here tonight, right?
No.
Okay, you have one
Yeah.
charge for driving without a license. Do you
Oh
remember
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that was
okay.
that. Yeah. I remember. That was that asshole Trooper Ace.
that? Okay. Well, regardless of what you think about the law enforcement involved in dealing with you in that situation, you understand it's illegal to drive without a license, right?
Yeah, it expired. It won't unexpire. It's been expired for a long time, Betty. I keep waiting for it to not be expired, but it keeps going expired.
He's going expired.
Prosecution.
Okay, he didn't even say anything.
We did have some issues with the state NCI system and the DMV system at one point.
Yeah, he said
My
I had to go
only
to the
only
DMV.
issue with Mr. McIntosh here is he does have a known history here in this city for general disruption and disorder at times and driving illegal vehicles and that sort of thing. So here's what I'm willing to do, and I'm going to see if the prosecution agrees here. The fine is only $250, Billy. Unfortunately, it's Friday night and the DMV is closed. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna order you to pay the fine as it stands. Then I'm also going to issue an order for an investigation to the DMV records to find out what happened. If the findings are such that it was a mistake on the DMV's end, then we will refund you that fine amount.
Oh,
Are
yeah,
you
well, I mean,
in agreement with that?
Well, I just haven't been down there to get it done yet. Hey, on that fine, let me ask you a question. Since I can't drive, the only other two jobs I have is my part-time job on Tinder, and I sell Ritalin. But they
I
suspended
sell
my
Ritalin.
subscription because of the coronavirus, so I can't make any money, Betty.
Okay, wait. Okay, let's back up.
Let's back up.
Yeah.
Back up to the DMV. So you stated to me just now on record that you haven't had a chance to go down and fix the issue.
Yeah, like
So are you sitting here telling me that you're gonna go that you were gonna go down and deal with it, or that you knew it was expired and you had to go renew it and you hadn't gotten it done yet?
Well, I've been on my way down there about a few times, and then something comes up on the way. You know, like the hot light will go on for donuts at the 24/7, or I'll see a stray cat, and I'm like, here, kitty. Something always happens to Betty.
Well, unfortunately, Mr. McIntosh, your lack of attention span is not a good defense on that. But regardless, that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to issue an order of investigation to find out what happened. Like I said, we're trying to work with you here. If it is an issue on their end, then we'll refund you the $250. Now, before I put that order in and make it official. You just talked about being Ritalin salesman and that your prescription had expired, so you can't make any money. Would you care to elaborate on that? Because what I heard was,
oh God,
you have a prescription personally for Ritalin and you've been selling that to other people.
Your Honor, before the gentleman answers, I was...
Huh?
Go ahead. Prosecution, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, I was just stating that before the gentleman answers that question, he may be reminded that he has the right to remain silent and right to counsel.
That is correct.
Yeah, I won't answer that. What I'll do is
Okay.
I'll just work double hard on Tinder, unclogging pipes, Betty.
Okay. All right. Are you able to pay the $300 tonight?
No, Betty.
You're not.
No.
Okay. Then here's what's going to happen. I'm going to issue a no action bench warrant, and you will have until June 26th, till the next scheduled court session, to have that paid. If you don't, at that time, I'm going to change that bench warrant to an active arrest warrant. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you in agreement with that? You
Yeah,
understand
Betty.
that?
Yeah.
Okay. Prosecution, are you okay with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So by the 26th, before court starts on the 26th of June, which is about 3.5 weeks away, you've got 3.5 weeks to come up with that $300 and get down here and pay it to the court clerk. Okay, and I'm going to check. The minute court is in session, if that has not been paid, you will have an active bench warrant for non-payment of an ordered fine.
Hey, let
All
me
right.
ask you a question. Hey, where do you live at?
I will not discuss my
Oh,
Where do you
residence
live
or
at?
my location.
all right, buddy.
As far as anybody's here concerned, Judge Gilliard lives in the cloud. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. McIntosh, you're free to leave if you need to.
All right. Hey,
have a
thanks,
seat.
Betty.
Thank you for your
Betty.
cooperation.
I farted. Do you smell that?
Oh my god.
Did anyone else
Not
feel
only
the
do we
ground
need
shake
cleaner,
as
we
he
need
walked away?
some air
Jesus
freshener
Christ,
too.
McIntosh
Somebody
just
spray
propped
some
up the
Febreze.
gallery.
That's a big Febreze
We need a
can.
whole gallon of Febreze. Oh my god. That
Thank
was
you.
rank.
Thank you.
All right, next on the docket, Porter Bill. We have a Bill Porter in the
Porter
building
in the
tonight.
courtroom. Bill Porter. Didn't appear to be present, Your Honor.
Okay, he's charged with concealed carry without a permit. I'm going to file a call to answer charges on that one.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
Okay. Next on the docket, McGuire Bobby. Bobby McGuire. Is he in the courtroom tonight? Bobby McGuire?
Negative, Your Honor. Negative, Honor. He's not here.
Okay. Let me double check his charges here.
Do you think we're allowed to smoke in here?
That would be a negative.
Can I?
I didn't know he could hear me. Oops.
You're a loud whisper.
My bad.
Okay. Prosecution looks like Mr. McGuire has a single charge of reckless driving. Unless you, if you agree, I'm just going to file a call to answer.
We'd be in agreement with that.
Okay. And I'm going, give me a second here. I'm going through what we have left here. Okay, next on the docket, Snow. Cletus. Cletus Snow.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Cletus is here.
Bobby McGuire is here.
Okay, let me look at this here. All right, Mr. Snow, go ahead and step up to the table if you would, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's wrong with your voice, dude?
Sir, come outside with me real quick. Come outside with me, sir. Go outside.
Ooh.
Is Mr. Snow here or not? I couldn't understand.
I think that cab just took him away. Or was that a different guy?
All right, well, we'll come back to him. That's not a charge anyways. I just need to discuss something with him. All right, next on the docket.
Oh, is that another one of his brothers?
Cherry Baker, are you in the office? Or in the building tonight?
Baker.
I thought it was the guy that they just took out of the courtroom.
Okay. Looks like Cherry Baker, that subject is charged with unauthorized possession of a weapon in public. I would assume that's the same as open carry without a permit. Is that correct?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay. Is that the only charges we have against that person? That you can... I don't see any more.
Let me double check my notes, sir.
Okay.
Your
Bailiff
Honor,
is Mr. Snow. I'm sorry, go ahead.
That charge is actually unauthorized carrying of a weapon in public meeting.
He does not. All of his characters are going.
Oh yeah, I'm seeing here they're at the Maze Bank Arena with it. Okay. How do you want a motion for that? Call to answer or warrant?
We'd be fine with the call to answer. My understanding is they were totally cooperative once approached by law enforcement.
Okay. All right. Is Mr. Snow back in the building? Cletus Snow? Bailiff, was that Mr. Snow you guys were dealing with outside just a second ago?
I don't know, was it?
No, sir. Bobby McGuire is here now.
Oh, Bobby McGuire is here.
Amongst two other ones that you read earlier.
Okay. Well, let's go back with, we'll start with McGuire and work backwards there. So, Bobby McGuire, if you step up, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. McGuire, you were charged back on May 10th with reckless driving. The narrative on this says you were swerving and hit a pole on Innocence Boulevard. A series of field sobriety tests were administered. Mr. McGuire passed all tests. However, there was damage to the utility pole. Subject received 1 citation of reckless driving, and you were cooperative during all tests, which I will commend you for. So how do you plead on that charge?
I was guilty, Your Honor. I took my eyes out of the road. I wasn't paying attention, so I hit the pole.
Okay.
I bossed this.
So you took your eyes off the road and you were swerving in your lane. Is that
Yes, sir.
what you recall? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll remind you
my
that
friend.
we take driving safety very seriously in this state. So please don't
Calvin,
make that
not
mistake
happening.
again. You could have very
No, sir.
easily hit a person instead of that pole. That's
Yeah,
a very
I
busy
understand.
stretch of road for pedestrians. All right, so
understand,
here's the
Your Honor.
deal. The fine on that is $900 and points on your record. There's no jail time that's going to require anything like that. Do you want to plead guilty, no contest, and just pay the fine and be done with it, or do you want to plead guilty and then fight it in court?
No, sir. Guilty, no contest. And
Okay.
you can put me in probation, take it off my record.
Well, I
Your
won't be
choice.
doing probation. It's just going to be on your
Kevin,
record
thanks
for
for
a
the
certain amount of
subscription.
time.
Much appreciated.
Okay.
No probation is required for something like this. This is a simple moving violation. There was no alcohol or drugs involved, and there was no bodily injury other than a telephone pole, which we're not too worried about. It wasn't like you tore the pole down and took power down on that block for hours. So the fine's
Okay.
going to be $900. You have a chance to pay it tonight. Can you pay that $900 tonight?
Yes, sir. I do.
Okay. All right. Then what will happen is at the end of the session, you'll have a chance to pay that with the court clerk. And then at that point, we'll consider that the charge has been taken care of. The ticket will be closed, and the charge
What's up,
will
Nico?
remain on your driving record for the required amount of time with the state. I believe it's 5 years. I'm not
Okay, Your
exactly
Honor.
sure, but somewhere around that time. All right. All right.
Thank you, Your
Mr.
Honor.
McGuire, you are free to go sit down. Okay. The next one I remember was, let me mark Mr. McGuire off my list. Joaquin Gomez, I believe, was one of the names that came in late. Joaquin Gomez still here?
You good, Nico?
Is that you?
You good, brother? You good?
Who?
Or Joaquin Gomez in the courtroom.
Oh, Joaquin Guzman.
I think they're going out to get him.
Oh, Joaquin.
And what was the
Guzman.
other one, bailiff? It was Gomez, McGuire, and there was one more too.
Stacy
Stacey
Rogers.
Rogers.
Stacey Rogers.
Joaquin Guzman is here.
Rogers here in the room right now?
Here, Your Honor.
If so, please step up.
Okay, so fat. Here's
All right.
Joaquin Guzman, Your Honor.
Is it Guzman or Gomez?
Guzman. Guzman. Guzman.
Okay. Well, we have a bit of an issue with the records because we have a Joaquin Gomez, but we don't have a Joaquin Guzman.
I am in the
Let me take a
cat,
look at this
Your
here.
Honor. This citation was
And as a matter of fact, we have very little information on a Joaquin Gomez as well.
Joaquin Guzman, Your Honor, looking here, has a general citation for reckless driving, I believe.
Okay. All right. So that wasn't Gomez. That was a different one.
That's correct, Your Honor. This is Mr. Guzman, reckless driving.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
And okay, there it is. Also for reckless driving
Wheelchair
as
for
well.
this man.
Okay, the narrative along with these charges, Mr. Guzman, it says, subject crashed into the back of my patrol vehicle at Postal 3005. He received a citation for reckless driving. Subject was put into handcuffs because he wasn't social distancing, later released once the citation was written. I'm not even worried about the social distancing thing. There's no actual laws on that. However,
He put me in
you did-
handcuffs, Your Honor. That cop right there.
well, he did what he was supposed to. Okay? So my question to you is, the charges that I just read in the narrative, what do you have to say for yourself?
I'm not guilty, Your Honor. I was driving my four-wheeler, and the thing is I'm too fat and it wouldn't stop. So I accidentally hit the back of Officer Rico. But he's my friend. He said he was my friend.
Well, okay. So, friendship aside, you were riding a four-wheeler. You mean like an off-road ATV bike? An all-terrain vehicle
yes, sir.
bike?
He did say that it wasn't road legal, but it had front lights, back lights, turn signals, and a plate.
Okay. Well, regardless of the amount of lights, it doesn't matter if it's actually street legal as per what a normal automobile would be. That is considered an off-road vehicle, and regardless of it being registered, vehicles all have to be registered, but technically you're not supposed to be driving those on the road. Regardless, we're gonna overlook that. The point is that you did run into the rear end of the police cruiser. If you're gonna plead non guilty, then what we'll do is we'll file a continuance. I'll give you time to get legal counsel together, and then we'll schedule for June the 26th, and you can plead your case at that point. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yeah, I need to find a lawyer. I don't have a lot of money because I live with my mom.
Okay.
She doesn't know I'm here.
Okay, well, here's the deal. We do have a public defender, one or two of them at least available. We can get you set up with that. That's not a problem. Okay, what I'm asking you is that the direction, that's the route you want to take? You want to plead not guilty and schedule a continuance and a hearing on the 26th? Is that correct?
Well, yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Prosecution, you're available to take on that case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is Trooper Rico in the building tonight?
He's over there. I remember
Trooper
him.
Rico?
Yes, sir, I am. Yes, sir.
Go ahead and step
He
up.
reminded
Step up
me-
to the front here real quick.
He reminded me
if you
when my
step back for
uncle-
a second. Step up here, Trooper. Okay, do you have, what do you have for evidence against this gentleman? Do you have any kind of dash cam or body cam footage of the situation, or any notes or anything like that?
I do have body cam footage, sir, and
Okay.
I did snap some pictures actually on scene.
Okay. What I would like for you to do, sir, is I'm going to go ahead and order you to turn over all that information to the prosecutor, and then he can make it available to the public defender if needed. But we're going to need that footage. So I'm going to go ahead and issue a verbal order for you to turn that over to the prosecuting attorney or the DA's office no later than the 10th of June.
June 10th. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. And you can get with the prosecutor afterwards on how best to facilitate that order.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thank you. You can step down. All right. So, Mr. Joaquin,
Hi,
we're
friend.
gonna schedule a continuance with a not guilty or a not guilty plea. You've got till the 26th, Friday the 26th at 9 p.m. That's when our next scheduled court hearing is. And by the end of the night, before the end of the night, before we leave, we'll get you with a public defender.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, you may go ahead and sit down, sir. Okay. Stacy Rogers, go ahead and step up. Did we?
Stacy
Rogers was here.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, step
Oh,
up.
God.
Step up here to the table.
Is she invisible? Is it a ghost?
No, she's not.
All right, Miss Rogers, the charges that were filed against you is armed robbery, grand theft auto and
Cody,
felony
the boss is not on
evade
right
of
now.
law enforcement.
I was having issues earlier.
Are you
so I
aware
didn't
of
turn
those
it on.
charges filed against you?
Yes, Your Honor. I was trying to
Yeah,
get
please hit that
attention
like
of
button,
that
guys. Helps out a lot.
white chocolate officer Rico. He's so hot.
Oh, good.
Okay, well, let's keep our personal preferences and desires out of the courtroom, and let's stick to the charges and the business at hand. The narrative is that you stole a black limo and then robbed a convenience store. When the police attempted to pull you over, you then led police on a short chase, ending at the hospital. I believe that's Pillbox at grid 513.
You good, Cody?
There was no injuries, no damage other than minor to the vehicle. Is that how you remember it?
Well, I was high on crack that day.
Okay. Well, I appreciate your honesty. What I'm going to say at this time is, let's see. Hold on a second before we move further. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to advise you to remember that you have a right to remain silent from this point forward, because you just admitted to being under the influence of drugs during that situation. I don't know if you realize that or not. Okay, well, Trooper Rico, why don't you go ahead and step back up here again real quick.
Trying to.
Ma'am, go ahead and step back from the bench, please. All right, Trooper Rico, you were the officer involved with this subject?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
Okay. All right, was there any tests at all for the presence of narcotics use or alcohol use? Because that's not notated in the narrative.
There was not. No,
there was not.
There was not.
Did you have any? You didn't have any idea or any? You didn't detect any signs of her being under the influence of any narcotics at the time?
The way she was acting was a little not normal, I guess you could say. So I had my suspicions, but I did not get a chance to test the subject at all.
Okay. All right.
With all the other commotion that was going on.
Okay. This one is going to probably be a continuance. So are you going to be able to be here on the 26th with evidence to testify for this one?
Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Go ahead and step back.
Yo.
All right, Miss Rogers, go ahead and step forward.
That stuff.
Nice, man.
Okay, I'm assuming that you're pleading not guilty to all of this.
No.
No, you are, or you not? You were guilty.
I wasn't guilty. No. I was not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay. All right.
No.
That's what I'm trying to make sure. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to read you off your charges. I'm going to read you off the bond amounts. Have you bonded out yet, or did they release you without bond upon arrest?
I've been in jail all these time.
Okay, you have been in custody. So this is kind of a bond hearing then too. So the charges that I'm showing: charge number 1, felony robbery, federal bail bond amount set at $10,000. Grand theft auto is also a felony, surety bond at $10,000.
What's up,
Evading
Skyler?
law enforcement in a vehicle pursuit, that they have that listed as a misdemeanor, probably because of the length of pursuit. That is going to be a $1,000 bond. So you're looking at a total here bond amount of $21,000. Okay, assuming, because of the charges against you, assuming that the prosecution will allow you to bond out, 10% of that is going to be $2,100. Are you able to pay that bond tonight?
I don't have any money.
Okay.
I was homeless. I'm still homeless.
You're still homeless. Okay. All right. Go ahead and step back. Prosecution, the charges I show against her as again a cool robbery, grand theft, and then invading law enforcement.
He's funny as hell.
You heard what the subject just said about potentially being under the influence of drugs at the time. She cannot pay her bond amount tonight, so bond is not going to be option on the table. Is there any other motions that you want to file for this before we send her back to county and file a continuance?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you able to get any legal counsel, Miss Rogers? I don't see any here with you today.
No, Your Honor. I will need help.
You'll need public defender. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to have the officers take you into custody. You're going to go back to county jail tonight because you cannot pay the bond amount. And then you'll be sitting in there until the next court session of January 26th. Sorry, June 26th. We will get you with public defender as soon as possible. Mr. Sharkskin, are you doing any public defender work anymore? Are you all?
Can Rico take me?
Oh, yes, sir. I apologize for my absence. I was in a 30-day coma on account of overdose of Sonoma and cheap wine. So my services are available.
Yeah, I think that's Silos.
All right, we do have, I'll get with you at the end of the session. We do have, I don't see the other public defender in the room, but I'll get you a list of those clients so you can get with them.
Can Rico take me?
No. This trooper here is the bailiff tonight, ma'am.
I'll see you, sexy.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Let's keep it professional.
I don't know that she was speaking to you there, Mr. Sharkskin.
Oh, I beg your pardon, Mr. Prosecutor, sir. I beg your pardon.
Dear Lord.
She was speaking to you.
Oh, dear Lord.
Lord.
I'm gonna cuddle up to you, Pam. That lady scares the hell out of me.
Lord.
She died?
Judge, can I get a restraining order against her? She kind of scares me. Please?
I mean, that's
moving down the list. Let's have some order. Bondurant, Forrest R. Is Forrest Bondurant here tonight? That's a negative. Okay, prosecution, Mr. Bondurant is charged with a first offense DWI. I'm just going to file a call to answer.
That sounds good.
And that man over there wants haggis. All right, is...
Don't know where it's at.
Okay. Next on the docket, Janice. Hugh. Janice.
Is there a Hugh Janice in the courtroom?
Yeah, we're not saying it with
Janice.
a long A, people. You can keep your giggles to yourself.
I don't believe there's a Hugh Janice.
Okay. Gotcha. He must have got caught. He must have got caught up constipated on the freeway. All right. That's a simple assault. If you have, unless you have a different motion, I'm going to file a call to answer.
That sounds good, Your Honor.
Okay,
What's
next
up, bud?
on the docket.
What's going on, man? Welcome to the stream, buddy.
We have...
This is good, man. I love this.
We deal with him already.
Darkskin, I think you dropped your Medicare card.
I do apologize. I've got a hole in these pockets here on account of I got mothballs in my house.
Why does that not surprise me, Mr. Sharkskin? Next on the docket, Gonzalez, Josh J. Is Joshua J. Gonzalez here tonight?
Your Honor, he's the one that's in back.
Actually, you're right. You're right. He's already been dealt with. I'm looking at the wrong one. Josh Daniels is the next one. Josh Daniels?
Yep, just hanging out, guy. watching all the cases.
Yeah, I'm going to take that as
waiting for the
no
grand opening of the
prosecution.
Mirror Park Tavern.
Mr. Daniels is charged
for after court.
with, it appears,
If you want to come,
that
man,
he's
more than welcome. More than
charged
welcome.
with possession of counterfeit goods. Do you have any other charges on file for that?
We're gonna have a grand opening
Not that I'm aware of, Your
at the
Honor.
bar.
Okay. I'm gonna go
Nobody's
ahead
seen
and
it yet.
file
Some
him a
people have
call
seen
to
the
answer
inside,
charges
the
as
bottom
well.
stairs, downstairs, the main bar part, but nobody has seen upstairs or anything like that. So
John Black. John Black, are you here tonight?
something I've been working very hard on. Onyx has helped me out with it. Something I got the
Okay,
mod
I'm gonna
from
take that as
some
no.
guy named Don, who does MLO.
That was
map
also
edits.
a minor misdemeanor.
And then
No
I did a bunch of
weapons
edits
or
with code
assault
walkers and
charges
interior
involved. I'm
edits.
gonna file a call to
And
answer.
then Onyx helped me put some
Your Honor,
points
that
in.
was a John Black.
Yes. Let me just double check and make sure I haven't missed anything with him.
Oh. What the heck was that?
I see a
I'm a little scared.
possession of a firearm in commission of a felony.
For John F. Black. I also see an active BOLO for that gentleman too.
Oh yes, John F. Black. I see a deadly weapon in commission of a felony.
Okay.
Yeah, there does appear to be an active BOLO for that subject.
Okay. We'll go ahead and issue a bench warrant for him. All right, moving right along.
Looks like a lot of people left. Your Honor, someone's screaming outside, it sounds like.
Someone's screaming outside.
That's what it sounds like.
I'm just going through the system here to see who else we have here. Nico Nash. Last name Nash, first name Nico. Is he in the building?
Yeah, y'all.
Nico Nash. I'm going to take that as a negative prosecution. I'm showing he's charged with assault with a deadly weapon and then an additional simple assault. I'm
You're
going to
good,
file a
Nash.
bench warrant for Mr. Nash.
Thanks. We didn't find anything.
What's up, DJ? What's going on? But yeah, I don't think Pam has anything. We just have to wait so that we can pay Josh's bail and my
last name Stones, first name Smokey. Smokey Stones. Are you in the court tonight? All right, I'm going to take that as a negative. Prosecution, this looks like a first offense DUI.
Yeah, Neil, you're here for all
also
of them, man.
driving on a
appreciate that, buddy.
suspended, and
We really
the
do.
subject was armed at the time. How do you want a motion for this bench warrant or call to answer?
We'd be fine with call to answer, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, brothers. Sounds good, man. Hopefully this doesn't go
We've
too
worked
much
through
longer.
all of those.
Nope, she timed out. AFK kick.
Yes, I hear you, computer. Okay, it looks like all of the charges that I can see have been gone through prosecution. Dave, do you know of any that have been missed tonight?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor. Is there anyone else in the courtroom that has pending charges they'd like heard tonight?
Bailiff, would you walk to the back of the courtroom and make that same announcement?
Is there anybody back here who needs to be gone up that has not gone up yet?
All right, looks like there is no action on that call. Okay. That's going to be a no. Okay. Well, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to conclude this hearing session after about a 5-minute recess. There will be officers and court clerks available to take care of fines and get folks with Mr. Sharkskin, and if the other
well, none of the lost went to jail. That's a plus.
Oh yeah. But I can't sit there forever.
Oh, I know, bro.
Not gonna happen.
Well, it sounds like they're finishing up, so I just gotta wait for them to do his paperwork so that we can pay his fees and his bail, and then I gotta pay my shit, and then we're having the grand opening of the tavern if you and Sherry want to come.
Hell yeah, dude. Down.
They can hear me in the courtroom.
Really?
Yeah, that's what X just said. Hi.
The red.
That high was testing. No, I'm blue now. I'm light blue.
Go to blue.
I am.
How about now?
I don't know. I'm waiting on his reply. Okay, I'm good now. But yeah, we're having the grand opening of Mirror Park Tavern tonight. It's the business venture that we've been looking at opening.
Yeah, what's the postal for that?
It's 435. It's on the same street as the clubhouse. Just south of the clubhouse there.
But they're letting out.
Yep, let me go find Joshy and get his shit paid.
What up, Zane?
What up, Bobby?
Not much, bro.
I'll be right back, brother. Deputy? Or anybody? Is this where I make payments?
Making payments at the desk to my right.
To your right, over here. Oh, this female.
How much you be owed, honey?
Ma'am, to be honest, I don't fully know the total. I got a couple people I gotta pay. Mine was 21 something, and then
All right, hold on, sir. Just hold on.
oh, I'm sorry, man.
Sir, I need you to calm down, please.
What up, Adam? Okay. Kevin. Alright! Zang, 26, thanks for the subscription. Much appreciated. Excalibur, thank you so much for the raid. Christopher coming in. Nico coming in. What up, Excalibur? Dakota coming in. Dimitri coming in. Dustin's in here. Robert's in here. Madeline. David Klein. Dimitri.
Let me go for to get the updated records from the judge, man.
No problem, man. I'll wait right here. My day's good, man. My day's good. How's your day going?
Wait, so we're paying fines now?
Yeah. We're waiting on her. She had to go get the updated records from the judge for amounts.
Oh, okay.
Dimitri, thanks for following. Kevin, thanks for following. Much appreciated, you guys. Oh, ignore that.
Ow!
Sorry. Sorry.
Sir.
My bad.
It's
You're
okay,
in the courtroom.
fine.
I don't think that physical assault is.
I'm sorry.
No, he's
tripped
fine.
over
It's fine.
this
It's an
shaggy rug.
accident. He tripped.
Yeah, you guys
He
need to do
tripped on
something.
the rug.
Darn shaggy rug,
He's fine.
man.
No offense.
Don't be
No
putting
harm.
your
I'm
hand on no
good.
gun, officer. It's okay. Relax. Do you want me to give her a hug so that you feel better? To show that we're
Come give
friends?
me a hug, baby.
Well, that was a little over excessive, but I'm down.
Oh, I'm just kidding, head. Dang it.
Wait, can I not get a hug then?
Distancing. Keep your distance. Keep your distance.
Wait, he can't hug me? Aww.
Wow, I can't hit you, I can't hug you. Shit. Next they're gonna say I can't kiss you.
No, social distancing.
Dang, that's not even funny.
Well, Deputy, you're not really social distancing that wall. You should arrest yourself. You don't get the
you're
wall
funny,
sick.
sir. Social distancing from a wall is not something.
Me. It will if I go lick the wall.
You lick the wall, sir. That is called.
What's that called? What charge is that?
Assaulting the wall.
Right?
No, not assaulting the wall. You are creating a biological hazard, which is technically illegal. Therefore, I can arrest you for it.
What biological
Hey, Deputy,
hazard?
is there more court proceedings going
I don't know
on?
what's running through your bloodstream. I don't know if you got any diseases. You lick that wall, I'll
Oh, dear
arrest you for
God.
biological
Oh,
terror.
Jesus Christ. Whatever, bruh. Whatever. Don't get your panties in a wad. It's okay.
I don't wear panties, thank you very much.
Yeah, we know it's more of
No.
a thong. Just get the slingshot out your butt, bruh. It's okay.
He doesn't strike me as the butt floss type.
Yeah, it's more the butt jammer, huh? Prison
I
pocket coming
don't
in
think
handy.
a thong could keep the stick up his ass.
Yeah, that's right. It'd fall out.
Sorry, McCoy. You know I'm kidding.
That's Tanner.
Uh-huh.
I'm not.
Oh.
Oh, what the hell just happened?
I don't know. Where'd he go?
What is going on?
Hey, you're alright.
Why are they all
Yeah.
running outside?
I don't know. What the hell's going on? What
Where
the
at?
hell?
Going on?
It's OOC stuff.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Did you drive?
So we're gonna go back and wait in line. A bomb? Yeah, no kidding, man. Oop, I'm gonna get off that desk before I get yelled at. Oh, son of a...
Anybody
Hey,
know where
get off
Rye
the
went
desk.
to?
No,
He's
sir.
outside. Something's going on outside OOC. I don't know what's going on.
There he is. Okay, Mr. Sharkskin.
Oh, yes, sir.
Do you have a piece of paper, sir, or something you can write these names down? Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll just give them to you now, and then I will send them to you in a direct message.
All right, that sounds great, Your Honor.
Okay, so, and I believe they still be here. It's Donald Tremble, Joaquin Gomez, and Stacy Rogers.
Right,
Those are going to be the three that have continuances. I will DM those to you here in a minute.
All right, that sounds good, Your Honor.
All right. Excuse me, Deputy.
Howdy, Yana. Just Rena Colgate, first day on the job, honey. Child. You need me to collect these payments.
Okay. Deputy, I've got it here that said all fines are paid.
You need to give me a drink.
I've got a note here that said all fines are paid. Was that from you guys or?
I have no idea. I just came in from outside. Thought I heard shots up there.
All right. Mr. Jackson, right?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm also gonna pay Josh Gonzalez's bail as well.
Gonzalez, he was the one that was $5,100, wasn't he?
Yes, sir.
Is he still in holding, Deputy?
Yeah, he's still back there.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and we'll take care of the payment. If you want to get the bracelet put on him, the GPS ankle bracelet, and then we'll go ahead and take care of all the paperwork up here. By the time you get him up here, he should be ready to be released.
Okay. If you want to
Hey,
come with me,
McCoy.
bailiff,
All right. So, however
All
Miss
right, I was just
Colgate
gonna
wants
give you
to
the
handle
keys,
it,
but-
come with me, I'm gonna have you
your
get,
fines are
have me a fresh
$2,134. So I don't know if she wants you to give it all at one lump sum or
Yeah, get me a
whatever. But
fresh
yours is
bracelet, unopened,
$2,134, and then his is
I'll get him
$5,100.
dressed in civilian clothes. Holy
2134 and 51 what?
$5,100 was the bond amount.
51 straight up. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna pay cash, so however y'all want to do it.
So how
Christ.
Miss Colgate would like that?
What the hell?
You need to
happened?
split that up, honey. So I can
I
write
don't
you,
know.
What was that?
Jesus,
I'll
what the
write
fuck
you
is going on?
one of them,
sure.
Receipts.
Okay, I'll do mine
Oh,
first,
shit.
the 2134, and then I'll pay his.
What your name is?
Jackson Slaughter, man.
There's all the vehicles outside are exploding.
Y'all want to back
Everyone
up a
get
little
back.
bit?
Out there to
So I
clear
don't
it.
give this to the wrong person.
Everyone get back.
What is this going on?
Get an
All the
admin
vehicles
there.
outside are exploding.
Delete all the vehicles
All
outside.
right.
How
Everyone
did you
get in
get
the-
that, man?
Oh shit.
Say what?
Did you get that money, man?
I sure didn't, honey.
I gave it to
I
somebody.
was better handed that to somebody else.
Who just received money? Y'all check your pockets. You should be $2,134 richer.
Is there a giveaway?
Oh,
No, but he gave it to the wrong person.
yeah, he
Okay.
gave it to me. Hang on a second. Let me give it to you.
I'll give it to
Why'd you
her.
name me?
Just
There
go
we go.
behind the counter and give it to her.
Close, honey.
You can go back there. I don't want to
Bad
get
enough
shot.
on my business, Randy.
You ain't gonna get shot. Here you go.
Hey, how are you?
I will
How
take
much money am I giving you?
2134.
2134, honey, child.
There you go.
That looks like my mama.
I don't think it's because everyone's vehicle just exploded. It's not just
Everything out there is exploding.
And then I'll also, thank you, ma'am. And I'll also have to pay the 5100 for Joshua Gonzalez.
You're probably better walking around the counter and paying it,
Yep, that's what I was just thinking.
just to avoid that.
Hey, you think we could get God to go outside and take a look? It looks
I'm
like
working
there's
on
like a
it.
shit ton of
I'm working on it.
All right.
Yeah.
I imagine it ain't affecting nothing in here. It can probably wait.
Did you get that, ma'am?
Who's that guy? That guy just showed up. Who's that?
Awesome.
Hold on, let me get your receipt.
Yep, let me go back to the side of the counter.
Good line, bro.
Whoa.
Hey.
All right, that should take care of it.
Alright. Thank you so much, ma'am.
It is.
Hey, what's up, Betty?
Hell yeah, Josh's bill's paid.
Good line.
All right.
What's
Hell
up,
yeah, dude.
fat boy?
Hey, I gotta pay a fine. My name is Billy McIntosh the Little. You got. Never mind.
Now how much you owe, honey? Oh, you got my
three.
Look at you.
Yeah, I'm gonna pay $300.
Oh, you're
Well,
gonna pay that
money,
in
we
full
don't
tonight,
take
Mr.
no monopoly
McIntosh?
money.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pay the whole thing, Betty.
Okay.
I have no interest in removing it. Trust me.
My mom wears a push-up bra that makes her boobs
Oh
look
my
big.
God, stop blowing
Because
stuff
hers
up.
are small. You should get one.
I'd come across this counter.
What up,
Put your money down there.
Orange is definitely not my color. Let's remember that next time.
Oh, hang on. Let me get my
No
money out.
kid.
Sorry, Betty.
Alright, so, Mr. Slaughter?
Yeah. Yeah, what's up?
Boy, who's ready to
There you
go,
go,
he's fresh
buddy.
and shiny and squeaky clean.
Do what?
I'm in line, I don't want to see him back in here.
He won't. Yep. Keep tight leash.
Is that Joshy or Jesus? Holy crap.
Are you allowed to get
You need a
drunk?
haircut,
Right.
dude.
There
All right,
you
No,
hey,
it's not happening.
All right. Hey, thanks, Whitney.
Wait, you
It
can't.
ain't Whitney,
What,
it's
on the
Listerine
drunk or
and
haircut?
Colgate.
You can't get
Fathead
drunk.
Motherfucker. Hey, what your name is?
Bobby McGuire, sir. Ma'am.
Let's get the
I'll
hell
get
out
drunk
of
30
here.
I
Josh.
times.
gotta
over.
get an ass whooped up in his motherfucker today. It's my first day on job.
What is going on out here?
I don't know. That's why I'm getting the fuck out. I don't know where your bike's at. I gotta run to a garage because mine is not here.
Mine got blown up. Eee, man. I guess I
Yeah, I
gotta
seen
run a
that,
couple
Dustin.
blocks, eh?
Yeah, we
Where
both
you wanna
do.
meet at?
Let's do it. Let's just run a couple blocks up. It's over here. We'll just go on a jog. Waiting for Pam to get back in. She kind of crashed a little bit.
Okay, this is like they gotta adjust this popularity density. It's not working out.
Well, someone has their population density up, is what it is. Yeah, someone's got their population density turned up, and that's what's fucking everything up.
I thought Onyx would have sent
we
out
gotta
like
go
a
in
message
here.
telling them to turn it down.
Well, he can't tell who it is. He doesn't know. There's no way for him to know who it is.
You can't like put like an announcement out or something.
I mean, he could.
Whoever it
but-
is, turn it down.
I mean, he could, but will they fucking listen? That's the question. I have no fucking cars in here. Are you kidding me right now?
Oh, my bad, my bad. Damn it.
I have no fucking cars in there.
I
hate when this shit happens.
Mine probably gotta say the same thing. Close the fucking door, idiot. Fuck that cat.
Is it saying you have nothing? See, you got him. Why the fuck don't I? Fuck this. The hell is going on, yo? I'm gonna crash right here. Nope, or not. I'm not stealing this bike. I did not steal this bike.
I saw nothing.
I know I ran around the corner. Alright, let's go to the fucking bar.
Should be able to access it by now. I don't.
Oh yeah, I have keys.
You went a block away.
Oh,
No, I'm
I
talking
ain't worried
about your
that.
bike because you went a block away.
I ain't worried about it.
I'm not sure if we should relog or what, because I get into the resource time warning at the bottom.
That's alright. Fucking leave it until we crash or they restart. Earlier, I logged out and could not get back in.
Yeah, I saw that. That was going on for everybody. Except me.
Oh, what the fuck is the thing? Remember 435 for me.
Pam wouldn't have crashed out. She wouldn't have been sitting AFK for all that time.
Yeah, right. Alright, let's go. Let's go to the bar. Is it? Let me double check, make sure it's not my population density, because I did have to delete my cache. Is it in display or is it in graphics? Probably graphics, huh?
Graphics.
Oh yeah, mine's all the way the fuck up. Okay, there you go. Yeah, mine was turned up because I fucking, I don't know why.
Just take our time. I gotta stop and get fuel anyway.
Do you?
Know how long it's been since I freaking rode a fucking bike?
Yeah, which point?
Hang a left.
Yeah, there's a gas station right up here. Literally across from the bar, actually. So. But yeah, I do have the keys. I got with the contractor, and he handed them to me. So we have 20 keys. If someone loses their key, they don't get another one. Go straight. So I told the prospects it's their job to keep that fridge full at all times.
I was there, remember?
Oh yeah, we did it at prison. I just got the keys today, so they have not been around to do that. So I'm actually, I think Elmo was in here. He's not now. If one of them gets on, we're gonna send them. Cause I don't have anything. I mean, I have alcohol in there, but no food at the moment. Dimitri, we had to run to get to a garage.
What's that?
I'm feeling gas. I was talking to voices in my head.
Go ahead.
I'm messaging Pam. Alright, let's go. We're parking him back, brother.
Make space for Pam's bike.
Yep.
God damn it.
No going upstairs until everyone from the club's on. I want to show you everybody upstairs all at once. Are you having issues? Normally we'll walk in that door, but I don't want to show upstairs until I give the tour when Pam gets here. And I think it's just Pam. Me, you, and Pam at the moment.
What happened to Sea-Wine? What the fuck?
He crashed. I think he may be coming back though.
Everybody needs to upgrade their PC.
Yeah, there's something going on right now. I don't know what the hell it is. Dude, your bail was not nearly as much as what I thought it was gonna be.
I think that was Onyx helping us out.
Right.
They didn't let you keep the lost door, huh?
I changed it. I chose to change it. That was me. He gave me free reign. I chose to change it because to me that was a little too much lost. And I like that door. And I've got the lost doors on both. I got the lost door upstairs, so I didn't want too many of those doors.
The fact that Buddha said
Alright,
that, like,
Skyler.
in the end could wind up looking more like a decade is better than fucking 15 years to life. That's for sure.
I don't think you're even gonna get that, brother. I mean, honestly, I don't. Once you throw the fucking evidence up, it's gonna get thrown. You know,
Out the door,
if
through
not
a window.
thrown, it'll get fucking booted down. You know what I'm saying?
Most definitely.
So, I don't know. One of these nights we're gonna have a private party so we can open up that strip apple. Because tonight we're open to the public.
Put your bandana back on.
Oh yeah, probably should, huh? But yeah, tonight we're open to the public, so we can't use it because we don't have the permitting. We'll get shut down.
I have to change my goddamn shirt.
Alright, Braders.
God, I hated those. I hated that fucking orange.
Oh, we do still have the clubhouse, but we figure now people have no reason to go to the clubhouse. If they want to get a hold of us, they can come to the Lost's bar, because we own the bar. What can you make with moonshine? Why would you cook with moonshine? Just chug that bitch. I don't think the judge really liked my middle finger shirt.
I honestly really thought for a while I didn't think it had anything to do with the shirt.
Do what? Oh, she's here. Do what?
I don't think it had anything to do with the shirt.
What do you
I think
mean?
It was more the cut.
No, it was the shirt.
He was a lot nicer to me than I thought he was gonna be, considering all those charges. And you're in my fucking way. I can't see shit.
Well, I mean, he's not gonna treat you like a bitch. I mean, he is a pretty cool judge. I mean, he really is. As long as you're not disrespectful to him, he ain't gonna be disrespectful to you. Oh yeah, because Pam's here. What are you looking for? Did you not have it saved? Crazy ass.
What?
Your clothes?
I did. But I was changing it up because I had the same shirt from the time I was locked up. You know how nasty that fucking shit is?
I have like 86 of these shirts, so I had them all custom made.
Fucking... The way the shirts are laid out, like, they gotta fix these textures. They're all fucked.
You change the arms and that'll fill in the shirt. I mean, you change the upper body, that'll, like the arms and shit, it'll fill in the holes.
Up or down with you two people? Jesus.
What?
Why is this clipping now all of a sudden? I wasn't doing that before.
Hey, girl. I'll give you a sec. Okay.
God damn it. This thing is clipping like a motherfucker. I wasn't doing that before.
When my bike went up. Oh, the explosion? Yeah. Pam, I was told to tell you your stream's still going. I'm just waiting on these slow asses. And then we'll go upstairs and show you guys that.
Arty har har.
They making you wait. It's all they faults. Oh, I just walked on the table. I'm still waiting on Pam too, so it wasn't just you. Oh, I'll give you this. Don't do nothing with it yet. Do you know how to use keys?
Fuck no.
Okay, so you'll walk up to a locked door. And you'll hit the 4 key on your numpad. And then you'll
I don't have a numpad.
What?
The only keyboard I have doesn't have a neat numpad on it.
You're gonna have to buy a numpad extension.
Yeah, I know. Thing is, I don't even know where to plug that fucker in because I don't have a USB port on the side of it.
Do you have a USB port on your computer?
Yep.
That's what you plug it into. It doesn't have to be plugged into your keyboard. It just plugs into your computer.
Bet.
Yes. But yeah, it's the number 4 numpad key. I don't think the actual 4 key works. I'll check. Okay. It doesn't, but you will have to wait for the unlock animation to go through. Joker, I'm from Michigan. So you'll have to wait for the unlock animation to go through and then the door will be locked. Are you coming? What are you doing? We're gonna sit here and stare at her. Right into her eyes. I'm accidentally pushing her. Bam. Look at them freckles, man. Y'all see them? She's winking. She's blinking a lot. Like a lot. Oh, okay. I was just looking at your eyes and your freckles. Caged is on his way as well. I wish I could prop this door open, man. Yo, look at this view, man. I love this location. This is perfect. Perfection. I think that may be caged down there. I'm gonna run and grab a smoke while we wait on her. What's up, Joe? I didn't see Joe Boyd. What up, man?
I heard bikes in the back. Someone parked in the wrong spot. If it's not who I think it is.
What up?
What up?
What's good with it?
Who is that?
Not a whole lot.
Oh,
I
it's
heard
Cage.
you guys got a new bar though.
Yeah, come on in.
Sure.
Sherry coming up?
Yeah, I called her.
Okay. I'm gonna
Should
give
be
you
coming
guys.
soon enough.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the VIP tour. You guys get to see upstairs too.
Oh
Like,
shit.
Reapers get to. I'm cool with you guys seeing our upstairs. I mean, obviously, random people are not gonna fucking see my upstairs, cause I'll go to jail.
Of course.
But you like our motto above the door?
Oh hell yeah, that's cool as shit.
The Almighty forgives, the lost don't.
Hell yeah. Nice.
We got a small,
Fucking nice.
we got a small dance floor over here. Jukebox. I'm just waiting on
Head.
Pam. She's on the phone with her ma, so we gotta wait for her. Cause they ain't never seen me upstairs. I just
Where's
got
the girls
keys.
at, man?
Well, see, so this is the issue with the stripper pole, bro. Anytime the bar is open to the public, I can't have anyone dancing on it.
Makes sense.
I don't have the permits.
Fucking laws and shit.
Yup, I don't
Yep.
have the permits for nudity or dancing or that with the alcohol.
Got it.
But Anthony, this is pretty much the Biker Gang's YouTube channel. But we're gonna have private parties and shit that you guys will be invited to. And at that point, the bar is closed to the public, and the stripper pole will be able to be used at that part. You know, I don't need permits for that. What happens behind closed doors, they can stay the fuck out of it. What the hell are you doing, bro?
Oh, nothing.
No, not you. The fucking idiot that keeps falling over.
Oh.
I'm slumped.
Are you able to drink, or are they doing alcohol testing and shit on you?
They didn't say I was being tested by just an ankle brace, so I just can't leave the state or some shit.
Oh, okay. That's fine. I'm cool with that.
I didn't hear him say anything about alcohol or drug testing.
Yeah, I didn't either. I mean, you don't do drugs.
If they
really,
did, you're fucked.
Well, he doesn't really do drugs.
No, I do not.
Well, that's good though.
I mean, weed's legal.
I just drink.
I don't either. Yeah.
Ah, my drunk wore off.
So
Oh,
they
man.
can't test you for pot no more because it's legal.
They didn't test me for pot in the first place. It's just like the charges are because of the
Well,
possession of the shit. I don't smoke it.
If,
I
right,
took it off that guy. Remember? That,
right, but if they were to drug test you as part of your bail, they can't test for pot because it's a legal substance. I'm from Michigan, Joker.
Yeah.
I think I answered that one, actually. But yeah, they're not testing me either. I just gotta do fucking community service. Like, really? Up to 15 hours.
Wait, you doing that? No.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That ain't worth a damn, dude.
Nope. I ain't worried about it. I mean, it was just a reckless op charge, which I could have got up to 90 days in jail. So I'm good with up to 15 hours of community service and the $2,000 I paid. I'm down.
That's true. Yeah.
You know, if I'd have fought it with being in the MC and that, they'd have thrown the damn book at me. You know what I'm saying? So.
Oh yeah, true. Yep.
Not worth the risk. Not for 15 hours of community service and a little bit of money. You know?
Yep, you're right.
We gotta see who this is.
Oh, there.
What's going on?
How you doing?
Doing good, doing good. Name's Ed.
Right on, man. I am Lorenzo. I fish with my brother, Vinny, up around Sandy Shores. Just saw the invite and thought I'd stop in and check out the new place, man.
No, yeah, anytime, man. A bunch of open seats. There's a bar. If you need anything,
Yeah,
let me
this
know.
looks sharp. Is this brand new?
Yeah, tonight's our grand opening. We actually just got the keys to it today, so construction just got done yesterday.
Congrats. That's dope. Very cool. I like the logo up on the wall over there. That's dope.
Thanks.
Very cool.
I know this is probably a stupid question, but can you smoke in here?
What you think? Can you smoke in here? No, you can't smoke in here. Yeah, fucking of course you can smoke in here. I think we might have a fire extinguisher somewhere. Maybe.
You all gonna have live bands up in here every once in a while, or do you have a stage, or
I
anything
do
like
hope
that?
to. So I don't really have a stage. But if you come this way,
Okay, cool.
my goal is to have it to where live bands will move like these tables out of the way, depending on how big the band is, and kind of put the band over here, because this is the dance floor.
Sure. Oh, that'd be perfect then.
I'm still looking for a company to kind of put some laser lighting in, and that kind of thing for the dance floor. But yeah, if I find some good bands, I'll definitely do some live music. So if you know anybody, we have a suggestion box for like requesting bands and that over on the bar. Just throw them in there, and I'll see about getting them.
Great. Perfect, man. I'm actually a guitarist and drummer myself, so I'll look around for you for sure.
No, cool, yeah. And if you want to play here, I mean, I'm cool with it. I mean, I don't. Obviously, I ain't gonna charge you or anything. If you want to do like tips or whatever, you can do that. If you want to maybe do like a cover to get in that night, whatever, just let me know and we'll try to accommodate.
Oh, sure. Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, in the past, my band's always, we've taken a percentage of the door, the bar or venue. They take their own percentage and kind of work it out from there. But yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
Sure, absolutely. That'd be fun.
So yeah, if we do that, we'll sit down, we'll talk. Because, I mean, obviously, this is a bar. So I don't normally have a cover.
Sure.
But when you guys are
totally
playing, we can, I mean, obviously with live entertainment, we can set up a cover situation and go from there. And we'll talk business, you know, when we get to that point. But
How are you?
Cool, bro.
I'm better now.
It was a nice joint, though. Really digging it. Really welcoming atmosphere. Very cool.
I appreciate that. Well, hopefully you'll stick around and come by again.
I can't hear you. You know, heads talking way too loud.
We're open.
For sure, bro. For sure, man. Absolutely.
Let me turn my thing down because I got some people bitching.
Bro,
I love you, man.
Man. If you gotta talk to people, talk to people, bro. Totally get that.
You son of a bitch.
We're gonna talk to some people, man. Hey!
He sucker punched me. What do you want?
I don't care. I will put your
It was
ass
a welcome
in a
home, I guess.
flipping corner. Not here.
Wow.
Oh my God.
You want to do that? Take him out back, where it's hidden and secluded. Understood?
Good point.
Okay.
Wow, is that where you put the bodies?
Shh. I have 3 dumpsters back there for a reason. What's going on?
I thought you were dumping the dumpsters.
I'm trying. The damn garbage company won't come pick the damn things up, alright? Still waiting.
Let the prospects move them.
Yeah, and then I'll get charged for putting dumpsters in the street.
No, we can just put them in the dumpsters and just throw them in the bottom of the ocean.
Put the dumpsters in the dumpsters. But nah, I'm waiting on my friend's company too. So
have y'all been to Chris Davis's Do Hat Shop yet, by chance? I heard that's new too. I haven't been there yet, but I was just curious.
I have. It's actually decent, bro.
Oh, cool. Right
They're
on.
actually making
I'll have to
custom
get down
hats
there
for
sometime.
us. So.
Oh, excellent. That's great.
Definitely check it
It's
out.
like the 300 something block area, isn't he?
He is at it's 300 something. He's down in that area on the beach, like the beach boulevard.
Yeah,
area.
he's toward the beach. Okay. Gotcha. Right on.
We're just waiting on Pam. She's slow.
I got you.
Unfortunately, you can't get the VIP tour.
Nope, no problem, man. I wasn't expecting it. No worries. Want to come in and check out the place and say hi to everybody. So yeah, really cool joint.
Alright, well, first round is on me because why the hell not? What are you doing?
Oh, jeez. How about a...
Weird.
Me, myself, a vodka tonic. Nothing special.
No, just a simple man, huh?
Lime wedge, maybe. Yeah, I'm simple.
Do I not have any vodka tonics? What the flip?
How about a whiskey and coke?
I got vodka bull and vodka citrus and vodka Rex.
You know what? Let's go with the middle one. Vodka anything. That'll work.
Citrus? Alright. I'll give you 2 of them.
Yes, please. Appreciate that, bro.
No problem. What'd you say, Cage? What are you looking for?
Got any whiskey and coke?
You damn straight I got whiskey
same
and
here.
coke.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
What? Thank you.
Yep. Found me a whiskey. And
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
that hits quick. God. What proof was that shit? Damn.
Good stuff.
Whoa.
Oh, damn.
Holy
Yep, that's good. Oh, that's really good. That's really good.
That goes down
Oh,
nice and
damn.
smooth.
Oh, shit.
Goes down way
Sorry.
too easy. Oh. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, head. Sorry.
Motherfucker. Damn it. I was typing. Fuck. Son of a gun, you guys. I'm gonna flip. This is why I don't want this shit happening. $270K. Son of a bitch. At least I didn't lose the keys and shit. God damn it. Oh, there is cops on. So I gotta try to be careful. How did it hit the damn fence? Really? One thing after another, y'all.
Head, bro. I'm right here. I'm sorry. It was an accident. I'm right here.
Good. You're lucky I'm in a good mood.
I didn't mean to do that.
I'm aware.
I'm sorry, bro. I did not mean to do that at all.
Nope, I'm not mad about the
I was
punch,
trying
bro.
to close my.
I get it. Things
Okay.
happen.
I was trying to close my phone out, and I was too close to you, and
Yep.
I'm new around here, and I believe
You
I
good.
can hit backspace on
Yep.
out of character right now. I'll hit backspace on the keyboard.
You're good.
Super sorry. I did not mean to do that.
I'm not mad
Alright,
about
bro.
the punch.
Sorry,
You
man.
costed me 270K, but I'm not mad about the punch.
Oh man,
We're good.
I'm sorry.
We're good. Wash it. It's all good.
Absolutely.
He's gonna be put in perma jail. You okay, head?
He's lucky I'm in a good mood.
Oh, you're not gonna like this.
I was typing to you.
Trust
He just cost me 270K.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Because I was typing to you and hit E.
Yeah, I know. So basically, he has this problem with everybody.
What?
Nothing new.
In one night, I think he punched us, what, at least 20 times?
Oh, I was knocked the fuck out a lot.
Yeah. And the excuse is he keeps bumping his controller.
Well, he told me he was bagging out of his phone. It's like, dude, backspace, 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 backspace. But to your question.
Yeah, I heard phone, and then I heard a controller excuse, and...
But yeah, to your question, I don't think he liked the fact that we're not just accepting prospects. He has to be an employee of ours, gain our trust and our friendship before we'll vote to prospect.
Yeah, well, he approached Reapers first, wanting in.
Yeah.
He approached us a few days
He's
ago.
double dipping, dude.
Yeah, he approached us 5 days ago? Something like that? Last weekend.
That's about the same time he approached us.
I'm gonna can his ass. I don't trust that shit.
I mean, he seems like a cool
wishy-washy thing, man.
I think he's just trying to find a place, but here he comes. But yeah, hopefully she'll
He's
be done
trying to work
soon.
too hard.
And then we'll go do the tour. Yeah, fuck it, let's do it real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna go do the tour. Josh, jump.
Jump?
Yeah, jump. You're glitching
okay.
across the floor. Jump around. Yep, there you go. Alright. Y'all go ahead and go through. Just stand in the kitchen. Just don't go upstairs. I just want to relock this door.
Got it.
So we don't get unwanted visitors. Go ahead, Josh.
Right.
Go ahead, Josh.
What up?
Go through the door. Through the door. There you go.
Joshy!
Oh, there's Pam.
Oh, she's back.
Barely made it, girl.
Yeah, sorry about that.
I gotta give you a key. Remind me. Let's go.
Who? Me?
Yep. So that's the kitchen. That's the beer.
Hey, Sherry.
Hey.
Hey, Zing.
Yo.
This is the hangout
Don't look at me again here.
area. My porno keeps disappearing, but I will get the porn fixed.
Wow. It's porn.
Josh, are you sure you didn't steal it? You just got out.
Oh, wow.
Got a picture of the clubhouse. Because it's party.
Oh, that's cool.
That's very cool.
Yeah, it is.
Ah.
Nice meeting room.
Thank you.
Nice illegal weaponry.
What up?
The cops can never get a warrant for this place, okay?
What up with the number?
Better hope not.
Do you not know what the 13 stands for?
Sorry, Josh.
No,
What does
educate
the
me.
13 stand for?
Okay, so in the MC world, the 13 stands for one of two things. Well, first it stands for the 13th letter of the alphabet. The 13th letter of the alphabet is M. Now the M stands for two different things in the biker world. Different clubs use it for different things. One of them is that it stands for marijuana, which is somebody who uses marijuana or sells marijuana will wear the 13 patch. What I use it for, and what my club has used it for, is the letter M standing for mother charter, the original charter. So that's why we use it. But that's what the 13 is.
there a reason why my health bar keeps going down?
Do you need to eat or drink?
I don't know. Are you hungry or thirsty?
Up there, that would probably explain it, my dumb ass.
Yep.
Oh, Pam. You want to hear some
Yeah.
bad news?
What?
Green Afro hit me. Accidentally, but hit me. Cost me 270K because I was typing to Sherry and Hitty.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm letting it wash. I'm trying not
He
to
doesn't
get
know
mad
how
about
to
it, but-
control his controller.
Here, Pam. If anybody
That
else
guy
gets
is like
this,
Wow.
give
a
it to Pam.
pain.
Pam, do you know how to use the key?
What? No.
Okay,
I
you'll
didn't
go
get
up.
a key.
I'm giving you one right now. You'll go up to a
Oh, okay.
door, either the back door or the
Mhm.
staff door. You'll hit the 4 key on your numpad, and that will unlock
Okay,
it.
it's like the police station.
Yep, you have to let it
Oh,
do
shit, I
the
have no
unlock
Tylenol
animation.
Alright. Yay, now can I lose this by accident?
Yes, and it can also be stolen from you. Do not lose it. I get 20 keys. I get no more than 20 keys. If
How
you
do I-
lose it, you don't
Wait,
get a
can
key.
I put it in my inventory?
It's in your inventory right now.
Ooh.
I don't want to lose it.
You can put it in a car. You can put it into your house and only bring it when you come here.
Okay.
You can put it wherever you want. Don't lose it at all.
Okay.
Can't get another
Okay.
one.
Okay.
That's
kinda
shitty.
scary. Cause you know I lose my stuff all
If
the
if
time
somebody loots you,
from my inventory.
tell me. File a police report so that if a lost member is found with a lost key, and they are not a lost member,
Mhm.
then they will get arrested. Which means if we have a missing key and we file a police report, do not have that key in your inventory if you are on a different character, because you will get arrested for having a stolen
Okay.
lost MC key.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Which means you'll be arrested for the assault to get that key. What's up, Robert? So, yeah. But yeah, the police can never get a warrant for this place. If so, we're fucked.
Yeah. Right.
And I mean, they're not illegal. The shotguns are legal. These ones are a little illegal, but I can say that they're non-working rounds because technically they are. I have the hammers out of the gun, and they are in the safe, which means those are non-working replicas by law. So unless they find the hammers in the safe and put 2 and 2 together, we can't be charged for illegal weapons.
Right, that's smart.
I can be charged for the pound of weed on the shelf over there, but I cannot be charged for the guns. Sherry, Robert said that he wishes he could talk to you in person. Whatever that means.
Robert.
Hi, Robert.
Hi, Robert.
Hello, Ghost. Are you talking to voices in your head again?
All you have to do, Robert, is call your local mental institution, ask for Sherry. I'm sure she'll pick up.
Wow.
I'm sure there's a Sherry in there, and it might be an interesting conversation. Depending on the issue.
Wow.
Alright, he just took off apparently.
Who downstairs?
Yeah, J-Park.
Right, I can understand he's new and wanting to fit in wherever, but trying to proposition 2 different MCs is not a good idea.
Wait, what did I miss?
So you know how J-Pac was came to us about hanging around and working for us in hopes of joining at some point later on down the road?
Yeah.
Apparently he went to the
We already had that discussion with him. He came up to the whole lot of us and just about got shot.
He did that with us
He's
too.
trying to get shot.
He showed up at the clubhouse.
He's gonna end up dead.
Yeah.
One does not simply do that.
I'm gonna.
Unless you're an idiot.
One does not.
Next time I see him, I'm basically gonna sit him down and be like, look, dude, you gotta pick a side. Now, we're not gonna be mad if he goes to you guys. I don't think you guys will be mad if he doesn't go to you guys, but he's gotta pick a side. You know, we're on good terms, and we're not gonna let a little fresh meat fucking fuck up an alliance. You know what I'm saying?
I'll
like,
tell you
that's
this
just
right
dumb.
now. I won't be heartbroken if you guys take him. He's a friggin' menace.
No, I don't think so. Sorry, Josh, couldn't help it.
Touch my perm and shit.
He looks a little like Jesus, doesn't he?
Yeah, Bubba specially requested that hairdo.
Keanu Reeves.
Bubba likes to pull hair. He likes something to hold on to.
He got broken by Bubba.
He's dead.
Bubba's dead?
Yeah.
Don't
Josh
ask how he
killed
choked on his. Don't ask how he choked on his bed sheet.
Wow.
I am surprised how little Josh's bail was.
I know.
It was only $5,000.
Yeah, I was too.
So to me, that speaks like it's a good thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that I got fucked.
I spoke to
Yeah,
Lieutenant
of
Reed as
course.
well. So Lieutenant Reed
Nice.
kind of gave me some information to feed to the
Booger.
defense attorney.
What?
Public booger.
Well, he's not a public defender.
Booger.
We hired that motherfucker. We gotta pay him like $25,000 if he wins.
Mhm.
Yeah, but then you do a whole lawsuit against the city and you would get that back in spades.
Oh, we're gonna do a lawsuit against the city and we're suing for $1 million.
Hell yeah.
Pain and suffering.
There you go.
He got tased. He spent a year in jail. You know, the money it's
Shitty
costing
hair
us,
care
the
products.
time it's costing us, his hair care products that he's
Dude,
now
how vain
addicted
can you
to.
get? Well, looks like they gave him a good dose of Miracle Grow.
Because he's trying to be
At least I
flipping
managed.
Fabio.
At least I managed to get my old tat. At least I managed to get my old tat removed.
Pam is Sherry. I don't believe is recording or streaming.
No, I'm not. Yeah, on that note, hey Joshy. Later, do you want to go down to the bumper cars and have some fun?
I'll smash the fuck out of bumper cars.
Alright.
Wait, I have a question though.
What?
Is
I have
that
a
what your
condition.
boyfriend said? I'll smash the fuck out of Joshy.
Jesus
What's the
Christ.
condition?
I want a lollipop.
You want a lollipop?
Wait, what?
What flavor? What's with the lollipop?
Engaged. Does
I
he
have
want
no
your
idea.
lollipop or mine?
Oh hell no.
He changed a lot in the joint.
Oh my
Well,
god. Josh,
tell you what, I will
don't
offer
listen
him
to
one
them.
and pass him off to you.
He can have his. I don't want it. He can have his. Right there, him. His lollipop.
Oh my god.
I could hear you, you know, I'm not deaf.
Yeah, he just has
You
it all
can
over
have
now.
his lollipop, not mine. I was hoping you
Oh
heard
my
me, asshole.
God.
He just wants a salt flavored lolly. I mean, you know, hey.
Well, everybody's
Oh my god, come on.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. I'm not
Salt-flavored
drinking.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Goodbye.
Robert,
Yeah,
know,
you may say that. You may say that, but I'm still your favorite asshole.
y'all. Robert just said I sound like a gamer.
What?
What?
What was the first clue? Me playing a game? Next you're gonna say I sound like I have a mouth.
You have one?
No, not usually. Sometimes.
Which one?
Oh, like big time gamer. I am a big time gamer. That's all I do. My fiance gets
Like
mad
Oh
about
my
it.
god.
Pam.
You're a gamer. Ooh.
Them envelopes over on our table back there. That's what it is our table. They have cash in them. For whatever. So. And I have 2 packs of cigarettes. Because why the fuck not?
Oy.
But yeah, it's a little bit of an upgrade from our other clubhouse.
It is. It's a
I
nice
like it.
one. Yeah.
I mean,
Awkward silence.
you definitely have some nice modern art.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, man, that's some Picasso shit.
Did he just have to go up there and
Alright,
touch
see
her
ya.
right in the coochie?
Enjoy. Since you're leaving us, don't love us no more. Has to go hang out with Tim.
Aww. Night, Buffy.
Latest. Nah, I think
The night I get out, she dips.
I think she got shit going on. Like IRL shit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a
sounds
feeling.
like it.
But
Or you think you're going, Mr. Early Wine?
yeah, I don't know who
Come on
those
here,
chicks
check this
are,
out.
but I got the pictures. So hope they don't mind being on my wall.
The back door.
Yeah, well,
There's a back door.
works.
It just leads outside. That's it.
Nice.
Oh my god, seriously,
one.
guys, make your mind.
Make up our mind about what?
Oh, I really like this TV though. This is
Ain't that badass?
We're
Yeah.
locked in here. Fuck.
Thing's fucking huge. You have a damn key, dumbass.
I don't have a number pad, dumbass.
Oh.
I told you that.
That sucks to be you. He does.
We had this discussion.
Hit it once and then open it. Yep, it's unlocked.
That's
Gotcha.
what she said.
What's up, man? Sorry about that.
What's up, guys?
What's up, buddy?
I think I got one
¿Qué
more
pasa?
coming.
Congrats.
Whoop whoop.
Congrats, guys.
Thanks. Name's Head. What's your name? I don't know if I know you. I might know you.
Yeah, you know me, Nova.
Oh!
Or John. Everyone calls me Nova.
Yep. I gotcha.
That's my tattoo artist. He's here to do a tattoo for me.
Yeah.
Oh, is he? Nice, bro. What you
Yep.
getting?
I haven't decided yet. I have to go over a couple sketches with him.
Alright.
Yeah, pretty much do whatever you want, man.
Beats a freaking prison tattoo by a long shot.
Oh,
Right
damn,
over
I
the
meant
mouth.
to do a shot
Yeah, it
upstairs.
does.
I forgot. Son of a gun.
Can I sit on this?
Yeah, you gotta do the actual emote. There's no seat icons on the
That shit
couches.
happens.
What happened? Said something about
Just gonna load back in back here.
Onyx, what's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. What up, blah?
Alright, man, so what are you looking for?
We're just hanging out up at the bar. Apparently he's gonna be bartender for the night.
Alright, left arm. Use like the out of character, just
Bruh.
use this shit for like a stencil.
Yeah, no, I got you.
He's
I
getting
picked up what
footprints
you were
on
putting
my
down,
bar, bruh.
I know, right?
Oh, me too, Onyx. That'll be
I'm
awesome.
just drunk, man.
When we can have music up in here, strippers on the pole. I mean, no strippers on the pole.
No strippers. He said no strippers on the pole. I don't have to worry about that now, do I?
Nah, they're
For the
exotic
booty.
dancers, man. Not strippers, exotic
No,
dancers.
when they're here, they're gonna be strippers. And maybe fluffers. That's to be decided.
I'm not gonna argue with that, man. I refuse.
We still have not
Alright.
decided on that. We just can't do it while the bar is open because we ain't got the permits. So. Oh, Cage, you like them pictures upstairs. You should go check out the pictures in the bathroom.
Where's that one I just
Oh,
saw?
I'm Are we sure?
It's down that hallway. Go check out them pictures.
Which way?
Down there. Past down.
That'll work.
Down this way?
Yep. Take a right down that hallway.
Oh, I gotta save.
Do above the
That
door.
looks pretty good, man. You want that done?
Hell yeah.
Oh,
Something a little different.
I mean, he said he wanted a
lollipop
lollipop.
now too. Yeah, I want a lollipop now too.
Ah, shit.
Alright, so let's see. Let's see here.
Couldn't even read what that says. I didn't catch it. It came up the screen too fast. Alright.
Alright, so yeah, no, dude, I could do something like, like this here. Like right in there. What do you think about that?
Hey Josh, can I pick your tattoo?
Yeah.
And you have no say in what it is?
If it's a pecker, forget it.
Surprise tattoos are the best.
It was gonna be a picture of Big Willie's.
Tattoos. You gotta put a
tool.
You gotta give him a tramp stamp to do that, though.
I do have the keys on it. I do have them.
Alright, man. This will be pretty quick, right?
Yeah, give me a second.
Yeah, I checked after you had put them in my inventory. I had checked right after that. Just so that if for some reason it didn't work, I could let you know ASAP.
Damn it, I hate that key.
I mean, there's no illegal tattooing or anything going on over here. I'm gonna do a shot. I do think I am gonna go sit outside though. Is it dark out there? Or is it daytime?
Pieces of ink, brother, and I got them in the most painful places. So
I'll be right back.
Nah.
This one's just.
Alright, man.
This one's just a simple touch-up. Well, not touch-up. Over.
I'll chill out here for a minute. Get caught up with chat, see if I'm missing anything. Nah, Pam ain't be taking no money. She good. We trust her. We be trust her. CeeLo's got to go off duty. Look at all these cadets that need to remember to go off duty. What's up?
Nothing much.
If you need me, I'll be in back. I gotta do a couple adjustments to my bike.
Alright. Sounds good, bruh.
Nice place, brother. For real. I like it.
Appreciate it. It's gonna be my new home away from home, I think.
Yeah, it's not bad, dude. It's a great spot.
Right, I mean, it's even peaceful sitting out here. Like, it's not too much traffic, and just peaceful. I don't know. Y'all gonna drive by and just see my ass sitting here with a beer 24/7. Someone will be like, hey, let's go work. Nah, I'm gonna sit right here. Deontay, we'll see you later. So what you guys got going today? Anything?
Nothing that I know of.
I'm surprised Willie didn't
A lazy day, man.
come up to court.
Yeah, I know, right?
But I guess none of
I
your
was
guys.
just showing up just to see who's doing what.
Right. I mean,
Yeah,
but
we
I
didn't really have anything. I think Bobby had something, but that's really about it. I think.
wasn't he just a traffic ticket or something simple?
Yeah, it was some bullshit.
Right. Yeah. I'd like to say that we're done with it, but Josh has still got court, so.
At least he's out though, man. That's the biggest thing. And for cheap though, man. That's yeah.
Oh yeah, he got off way easy with that bail, bro.
Oh yeah.
Like, I was expecting. I do have tats. Oh, I don't have tats. What the hell? Where'd my tats go? Like I brought just under 300K with me because I thought he was
right.
You know, I thought he was gonna get a shit ton of, you know, be like, oh, 150K. Like, fuck. But
You pretty much spent that.
do what?
You pretty much ended up spending that in one night though, so.
Yeah. No kidding. Jeez. Yep. Well, and this place wasn't cheap. You know, all the construction on
bet
it.
not.
So. Plus, you know, we want to put up a new
prime
fence
spot,
and
too.
back, and
Right.
I want to see about possibly getting some of these parking things pulled out. But I gotta talk to some contractors, see what that would run me to get them pulled out of the cement.
Makes sense.
So, wouldn't mind getting that guard shack tore down.
Yeah.
Because I don't
I
really
know
see the point in it.
that's not serving you any yeah.
No, I'm not gonna charge people for parking. That's just kind of dumb.
Yep.
So, just kind of takes up a parking spot, you know.
Yeah, true. I don't know, man. I think I might be stopping by some, grab a beer.
Anytime, man.
I had much rather give it here now than to fucking tequila la.
Right. Well, and I'm hoping, you know, with
That
all
shit.
the shootings and assaults that go on at that bar, I'm hoping
Yeah.
an MC presence here and that it's obviously owned by us. I'm hoping that we aren't gonna have to deal with that, because why would you start a fight in a bar where there could be armed bikers upstairs? You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yep.
and I hired somebody as a bouncer. He's supposed to be starting work soon.
Sweet.
So I'll have him at the door. So I'm not really worried about it.
I mean, there's always that one dumbass, but you can handle that, so.
But, I mean, we're gonna have drunk guys get drunk and run their mouth, but I got prospects. You know, if my bouncer's not on duty, I got prospects that can throw him out the door. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, true.
Tequila La doesn't have that. They have their bartenders, but they can't really do much.
No, it's just going downhill, man.
Yeah. That's what happens when the Davis crew owns something. Well, 'cause they owned Tequila La before we ran them out of town. Well,
Yeah, I've heard.
one of their guys did. But I don't know. And it's kind of, I mean, it's kind of a trashy bar. Get scared of getting AIDS as you walk into the door. Branded prospects are going to be bartenders. Are you kidding me? They be working. They be scrubbing the floors. But, so, I'm hoping, you know, and that's why we kind of paid the extra money to kind of get a nicer, interior. I mean, when we bought this place, it had been closed down for a long time, and it was kind of, it was bad inside. Rats had gotten in, and a bunch of animals and that, so we had to gut it. Hang on, we had to gut it, clean it, do all that trash, and so I figure a nicer, higher class establishment, maybe it'll attract nicer, higher class clientele. What up, Josh?
That's a damn good job, though.
What up?
Appreciate it, man.
So,
who's this?
I met someone when I met her when I was in prison.
Pen pal?
Hello.
All right.
This is Elsa.
Elsa. Well, hello, Elsa.
Hey, how you doing?
Do what?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Doing fine, doing fine.
So when did the males and the females mix into jail? That's my question.
It was probably a pen pal, bro. She doesn't look like she's done any time.
That would, yeah, you'd be correct. That was what do they call those things? When you send a letter to an anonymous person.
A pen pal.
Pen pals.
There you go.
Because it starts as
I guess so,
anonymous,
yeah.
and then you get to know each other.
You forget, I'm not, I'm not the smartest tool in the box, unfortunately.
A lot of places will do that to kind of try to get criminals back on the right path and reform them with a good, upstanding citizen that pays taxes and doesn't kill people. I mean, we don't kill people, but...
That's definitely a way to get back on the right path. I mean...
Hey,
but...
you better be careful.
Yeah.
You probably know my...
We've never been charged with killing people or accused of killing people.
Yeah, the thing is, we know her brother.
Who the hell's her brother?
Nova.
Oh.
You hooking up with Nova's sister?
I didn't even know up until like 3 days ago.
Hopefully you ain't tapped it yet. Holy shit.
You're neck deep in you're like neck deep in alcohol already. Jesus.
I mean,
I'll be back. I'm gonna show.
Huh?
I'm gonna show her around a little.
No upstairs.
Not around here. Around obviously, the town. She's not from around here.
He gonna take her to his house.
I don't have a house. Remember, Boomer still hasn't given me the keys.
Use if you gotta take her somewhere for that, just use the back bedroom.
Incorrect, sir. Oh my god.
I'm not saying you're gonna. I'm just saying if. Just go to Pam's house. You know where the key's at. That's all I'm saying. Not saying you're gonna.
Yeah, I know.
If you guys want to chill and watch
some stuff from
TV,
there.
you know where her key's at outside. So
10-4, good buddy. I'll be back shortly.
if you guys take a nap, change the bedding. She'll beat your ass.
Oh my god. I'm gonna hang myself.
They grow up so fast.
My man just gets out of jail and he's already being a horn dog.
Right. I just texted him and told him that he was growing up too fast. I'm gonna text him and be like, stay my little boy forever. Jesus Christ. Why she got white hair? That's my question.
Well, you know, it's that new, trend, man. They want the gray hair.
Is it?
Yeah, some of them want the gray hair, man. They spend big money just to go gray.
Screw that, man. But yeah, anyways, so I had hired a real good designer and interior decorator. Try to keep.
Well, it definitely shows.
Try to keep the low class idiots out, you know.
Right.
So, I don't know. We'll see if it works. If not, I'll be busting heads.
I mean, if I ever visit and I don't see you guys here and I see some bullshit, I'll holler at you.
Alright, sounds good, man. Yeah, and if there's not a bartender, let me know, because there should be at most times.
Alright.
And you guys can park in back, too. I'm cool with it.
Okay.
It's just off,
that'll work.
If you were to go right at that light, it's right there. There's an opening in the fence.
Got it.
Just so people aren't, drunk people leaving or whatever, don't run your bikes over. I don't want something happening.
Yeah, true, because I would be pissed off.
Right, exactly. So, there's plenty of room back there. Now, would your whole club and my whole club fit back there? No. But, there's also, right on the other side of the fence, there's an alley that we can line bikes into. So,
got it.
There's definitely enough room back there somewhere so that they're not up here in this parking lot.
Cool.
What the hell happened to your old lady?
I don't know.
I figured she crashed and was coming back.
Who knows, man? Who knows? Things happen.
Crazy women, dude.
All the time. You just love them and you hate them at the same time, man.
Can't live with them, can't live without them.
Yep.
I am surprised Pam let me hold her damn hand in court, though.
Saw that. Then again, it was for a good cause, though.
Well, yeah, but once the chick went back there, she didn't take her hand back, so I just sat there and went, shit. I wasn't gonna complain.
Huh? No? I mean, is that, still bad? Is it going good? I mean...
Man, she ain't giving me shit, bro. She won't give me no answers. I ain't gonna know shit until the day
I know you and I haven't talked in a while.
Right, I mean, she ain't gonna give me shit. You know that. You know how women are. They just like to play games.
Yeah.
She ain't gonna tell me shit until the day she lures me to her house and shit happens, and I'll figure it out that way. Hell, she's a chick. She could have been dropping subtle hints that I just ain't picked the fuck up. I don't know.
Well, yeah, true too.
Like I told her, though.
I can't stand that shit, though.
Yeah, I told her. I was like, don't be dropping subtle hints when you want to get back together, because it ain't gonna happen. I don't pick them up. Be blunt. Like, I ain't gonna get them.
Yep.
So, if that's what you waiting on, keep waiting, because it ain't gonna happen.
Nope.
But we'll see what happens. Fucking prospect's been kinda touchy, so
it happens.
Fucking we went up to visit Josh and she would not stop hugging, so
Yeah.
We'll figure it out though.
I don't know where Sherry went.
I don't know. I kind of want to see.
Lost, dude.
Since they left, I want to see if they locked that door. Test. I'll take their keys back. It's locked.
You there?
Maybe they are a little smart. Maybe.
I like it though, man. I really do.
Yeah.
Nice damn bar.
It's got like a homey feel.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's the lost shit everywhere, but it's got a homey feel for some reason.
Definitely know whose it is though. That's for damn sure.
Mm-hmm. So, honestly, do you think that's gonna cause us any issues?
That.
The Nova and Josh, or the Nova sister and Josh thing.
Honestly, I wouldn't think so. No.
I don't know how he is about family. You know what I'm saying?
That's the thing. I don't know. I mean, it wouldn't be anything, you know, as far as clubs go, I wouldn't think, but no.
Okay.
He might have some personal beef, but I wouldn't think so.
Right. Hell, I didn't even know Nova had a sister.
Yeah, me either. That's news to me.
It must not
Which
be that
I mean,
close.
I guess if she's out of state, then hey, but
I mean, she's in state now though. Like, she couldn't have just come into state to see Josh. That not just for being pen pals.
she
that
could
wouldn't make
have. I
sense.
don't know. He had a whole freaking year to sit there and write back and forth to kind of plan this shit.
That's true. I don't know.
Yep.
Whatever, dude.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll handle it if it's not, I guess.
Yeah, we'll talk about it and figure it out.
Yup. Dang, they all having issues. They join and crash and join and crash.
Yeah. OOC, I was thinking that I was gonna have some problems because we've got bad storms coming through.
Dude, I don't know what it was. So I was on. Server restarted at 8:30. After the server restarted, I could not log back in. I couldn't do it. I'd take one step and crash. And
I know me and Onyx and X were instance.
Right.
Just us three for the longest time, and we didn't know it.
Yeah, I was watching X's stream, so I could kind of see what was going on while I was trying to load back in. But I ended up having to update my video card driver. I did the C cleaner to clean like all the random shit, like the extra caches and cookies and all that shit. And then I restarted my computer and it let me load in, but it was a mess.
Good old technology.
I'm gonna end my stream real quick. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out. We've been live for 3.5 hours, y'all. I greatly appreciate it. We're gonna see if somebody is live that we can go raid. Let's give it a look-see. Oof. Who's live? Do you guys see anybody that you guys follow that's live that you want us to raid? Because I'm not thinking I'm seeing nobody that I watch personally. It says Buffy's live, but I kind of doubt that. And we are up to 657 subs. Let's go see. Let's see. It says she's still live. Yeah, she's on the end. Bit. Let's see if Nico's live. Alright, you guys. So it looks like Nico may be live. Playing some Fortnite. So we're gonna go raid Nico. We're gonna go do a rebel raid over there. Alright, Joker. We'll see you later. Why is it not going here? Alright, you guys, make sure you guys go over to Nico. It's a good, cool dude. Make sure you do hashtag Rebel Raid over there in his chat. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out. We will see you guys in the next one. Remember, the Patreon is down below if you guys feel like supporting the channel on a monthly basis. You do get different items and different things with different tiers. So keep that in mind. Also, you guys, at 1,000 subs, we will be doing a face cam for all of our streams, possibly other than Lost. But we will figure that out as we go. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out. We will see you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.